Look at these candles, people. Look at these candles on AMC. Here's the deal here, though. Like, SPY was looking good on this little run up. Awesome. We're getting a little bit of that runway with the market, which is pretty sweet. But right now on this little sell off, AMC doesn't really give a shit. So here we go, people. We're having a nice green day so far. It is looking good. How are we all feeling? Is everybody doing all right over here? We feeling good? I almost hit the end stream button really quickly by accident. That would have sucked. But, you know, here we are. Here we go. We're seeing some boom boom candles over here, people. I can't believe we're actually moving up. Why not? Why not, Keith? Here we go, people. So SPY's moving down a little bit. Okay, so honestly, what I see happening in the market for the rest of the day, it's very possible that the SPY sells off pretty hard. Like, I'm probably going to get some SPY puts just in case we start to see the SPY really start to come down. If it breaks this right here, this 25 moving average, I'm probably going to start to buy some SPY puts. But right now, GME's at 117. I was saying it could get to 115 today, but it looks like it almost reached a high of 118, which is solid. AMC's at 1617 right now. I want that Fetty Wap 1738. Then I want 1776, the Declaration of Independence numbers. Then we got to get all the way up to Don Julio 1942. That's what we're looking at here. If we can break those numbers, we crack into the danger zone. I mean, that's what we really need to see in order to start that next big run up. Doing a little quick Ortex update over here to just kind of see what's going on. They've returned about 3.34 million shares. They borrowed 547,000, net return of 2.79 million shares. Pretty low volume today on AMC. I mean, it's at 29 million. It's not crazy. It's not like wild over here. We're about to get the exchange reported data. I think tomorrow. It's either today or tomorrow. 21.29% estimated short interest still. Let's check over on GME to see kind of what's going on over here. All right. So GME, 21.76% estimated short interest. Pretty high cost. It's stepping up. Like, with all these shares going out on loan and the amount of shares sold short on these two stocks, they're incredibly shorted right now. All right, here comes SPY on the way down. Here's what we're doing. I think SPY is going to start bleeding out, but I don't know. We'll see. No 1348 cross is really happening here. I mean, I just think that SPY is going to start coming down. This is just a YOLO here. So I'm going to get one of these. Bing bong. Actually, what's it doing right now? Just kind of chilling. Expires tomorrow. I don't know. I'm looking for everything to start kind of settling down, but 1614 on AMC right now, doing all right. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We are seeing some nice candles over here. Rivian coming up here a little bit. SPY kind of bounced back up. So here's what we'll do. Closing candle below this, and then I'll start to look at some more puts. That's what I'll look at over here. So let's see. Got a coffee. I'm ready to go. Max Payne this week, 17. AMC Ortex, I just did it. Printed Lucid and Apple P&L plus 4.88% on the account. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I paper-handed the Apple and the Lucid. Awesome. Good for me. Still green on the day, though. I think I'm still green on the day. Let's see what happens. Again, you see any crosses, call them out. Let's see what happens. Amy at 1618 right now. GME at 116.71. Everything's slowly coming down. SPY kind of bounced up off of this level here a little bit, though. Let's see. What would you do with Peloton before earnings if I was up 40%? I never, when I'm playing the run-up, I never hold through. I think it's silly. I think it's a little bit reckless to hold through earnings if you're playing the run-up and you're already up. But, I mean, you can do whatever you want with it. I just bought 2 tickets to see the Batman. There we go, buddy. That's what we like to see. So, Amy, starting to come up again here. SPY, trying to do the same thing. Let's see. If anything's crossing here, Uber. Nothing on Uber. How's Lyft going into earnings? I do want to play Lyft. Up 3.5% here. SPY doing all right. Come on, Amy. Get a nice giant boom boom candle on this. That's what I want to see out of you. Diamond handed my SPY calls. I keep telling myself, don't be like VIX. SPY was looking good. SPY was fine the entire time on this little breakout. This wouldn't have really, I probably would have gone out here maybe, or I'd have looked for this 13 test, or maybe even this down to the 25. But I liked the SPY today. I just never got into it because it's not a 0 day. I like the 0 days a lot more than the 1 day. So I tried to get it on Apple for a bigger move. It eventually happened, but I was out before then. Let's see. Trophy Hunter. What's up, buddy? Head and Shoulders forming on the Peloton daily. Ooh. Up 150% on those diamond-handed SPY calls. Damn. You guys are crushing it today. I love to see that. All right. SPY's moving down here a little bit. Ooh, Amy doesn't really care, though. Amy doesn't really care. Hold your horses here. So SPY coming down just below this 25. Amy's at 1620. GME starting to get a little candle here. Let's see what happens on the SPY. All right. I've got the contracts that I want up here. Oh, is this new candle coming? Nah, SPY's coming down here. I'm going to take one of these just for fun. And actually, I want a candle to close below. So, just kidding. I'll scale in with one right now just to see. All right, so SPY looks like it's kind of just flickering around this 25 MA. If it starts to really get selly, which I think it could, these are going to, ooh, here comes AMC. All right, lift starting to come up a little bit. Amy's getting a little bit of a pop here. I like to see that. And then SPY back up. GME getting a pop. Everything looks like it wants to get a little bit jumpy over here. So let's see. SV, when do you short the VIX? Never. I mean, I've played puts on VIX before. But let's see what we got going on over here. Amy trying to get a little bit of a move. SPY just kind of hanging flat right around this 25 MA. I think if it tests this and really starts to sell down, I think it could get gnarly to the downside. It doesn't like being in this range up here. We've seen this 2 times. So we'll see. Amy, 1625 right now. Lift doing all right. What do you guys want in the top right? GME still coming up 117. Here we go, people. SoFi just crossed down. Oh, boy. I did not spell that anywhere near correct. Nah, SoFi did not just cross down. Let's see. CFVI. Interesting. What is CFVI doing over here? CFVI. Coming up a little. AMC 1 minute in the top right? No. GME is climbing a vertical ladder. GME is just slowly stair-stepping its way up here. I like it. Amy kind of doing, I mean, Amy's a little bit more volatile over here, and I think the SPY is going to settle down a little bit at some point. So we'll see what happens with it. AMC top right, double AMC. Should we still use the 30 EMA or change the 25? This is just the 25 MA. That's just what I'm looking at here. I'm messing around with it. I'm seeing how it works. I've seen it work a couple of times on some trades that it would have kept me in for a lot longer. So let's see what happens with it. So I'm playing it to break this and come down. I'm in a little early on it, though. So, yeah, it doesn't want to. So let's see. All right. Amy, 1620 right here. GME, ooh, red candle here. 116.26. AMC 1620. We got CFVI trying to make a little bit of a move here. A little bit of a MACD cross coming up as well. All righty. BKKT bouncing off the 13 and up. Cup and handle on AMC. Could, if it comes down and tests the 13 and does a little cup handle and then comes back to the upside. SPY moving down. Let's see. SMA is more accurate than EMA. Sometimes. AMC about to rip to 17. Dude, I would love to see that. It's looking like it wants to go. SPY coming down, AMC going up. That's exactly kind of what I want to see right now. So GME kind of holding here. Here comes SPY. So I'm hoping that, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I mean, these contracts are slightly green. I just think the SPY doesn't like being in this range right now. And I think it's got a lot of room to fall on the way down. So I'm playing the downside exposure on this. I'm still hoping that Amy just goes nuclear off of this because I think they easily could detach from the market right now. Easily. SPY hanging right around 450. All right. Stonko tracker. It's wrong. Stonko tracker is a little bit wrong right now. Okay. So GME kind of hanging right around 116.50. SPY right around 450. Amy 1623. Up 8.82% on the day. There we freaking go. Yeah, Stonko is wrong. Yeah. Tickets were selling fast for Batman. Seats sold out where I'm at. There we go. Everything in SPY is down except Tesla and Apple, I think. Yeah, I think it's going to dump a little. But let's see if Amy can hold. But yeah, tickets for the Batman were selling out fast. That's what you guys said. And I've heard it a little bit before, especially with those NFTs. This is where the NFTs come in. If you are going to buy them in hopes to getting in one of those NFTs, the NFT like business side is going to work. So CFVI getting a little bit of a pop here. SPY still hanging right around 450. Amy, it's coming down a little. GME with a candle down to the 13. Let's see what happens with the SPY if it comes down to this 48 right here. Yeah. So that's the closing candle below. I think it could sell a little bit here. Yep. Here it goes. Cooking with Christo. Here we go. You playing Lift or not? I think it could. I think I might play Lift. I do want to. I think it can move a lot. I think Lift can move a lot. So we'll see what happens towards close on Lift and what the premium is saying. But we're gonna be on until close. And just see what happens, what the premium's saying, what it's like. And then just see how it goes from there. I mean, these SPY contracts are a McChicken. Look at Facebook hammered 1348 right here around 222 all the way down to 218. That's not bad. Yeah, SPY, it's under this little range right here. Let's see if it drops down to the 48. SPY keeps bouncing off the 48 on the 3-minute. Interesting. Watch it if it sells through. You're up 30% on my AMC $17 calls. Trace Mustache. I'd be a little careful. We could easily see a run going into tomorrow, but watch out. The SPY so it went on this moon mission here, and typically what we see is what happens in the morning reverses in the afternoon. So now it's starting to come down. Amy getting a little bit of a sell candle down to the 13 here. Hopefully we can get some more boom boom candles coming. GME selling off to this 25 MA right here. SPY is coming down a little bit. Riot crossed and ripping. Hold on. Yeah, Riot did cross and is starting to come up here. That's a decent one. So Bitcoin might be coming up here. Anyone playing Disney earnings? I will. It's what do you call it? It's on Thursday though. So not yet. Let me see what these SPY contracts are up right now. About 8%. All right. I might take another one soon. My $18 calls I bought today for AMC up 75%. There you go, AM7. I love to see that. So Amy coming down, touching this 13. It's coming down. So watch SPY here in the overall market. Riot's getting a little jumpy here. So hold on. We're going to do something on Riot with this 1348. I mean, I'm a little late on it, so I'm going to go really, really, really tiny. Really tiny. So let's see here. Facebook dip hard. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised either, but Riot. What did I? Oh, yeah. Did it not fill me on this? Working? Modify order. All right, whatever. It's filling me at weird-ass prices, but that's fine. I like Riot over here. So that's probably going to be it. Riot and SPY for the end of the day. Yeah, I got room for a little bit more. So Riots are down to little tiny. Why does this look so stupid? Oh, that's why. All right. So Riot starting to come up here a little bit. That is getting a little jumpy. SPY, same difference over here. Here we go. Cheaper for sure. Got March 26, 11/20s for Amy. There you go. You got 26 March. Oh, there you go. Not a hedge fund. I like that. So Riot's getting a little jumpy here. Let's see what happens with the SPY. Amy selling off a little here. Riot is getting jumpy. I like this thing. So both the SPY and the Riots are in the green right now. Let's see what happens with it. So SPY just kind of hanging out here. Riot's getting jumpy by AMC. Long Jericho. What's up, buddy? Riot is a chase now. Yeah, sort of. I mean, you get this 1348 right here. I'm like 40 cents behind it. Day high over here on Riot at 1810. Let's see if it comes up and touches that level. If it breaks out above that, I mean, it could get really jumpy. Hitting that like button, says Jake. Thank you, Jake. I appreciate that. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It's been a little screwy recently, but you know, got to deal with it. It is YouTube. You beat TMI here. Oh, is he coming? Hold on. I got to send him that link real quick. Let's see. All right. Riot spiking here. SPY just kind of hanging out at these lower levels. Amy bouncing off the 13. That's a good sign. I like that a lot. SPY. If SPY breaks... All right, we'll see. Riot 1797, AMC 1603, GME bouncing off of that 25 MA right here, 113 on Jimmy. What up, Vix? How you doing, Ed? Welcome to all the people filtering in. If you don't push the like button, you will lose 25% today. So hurry, the trophy hunter Tyler. Thanks, bud. I appreciate that. Here comes Riot. Here comes the Riot. Let's see. Hold on. All right. SPY selling and Riot pumping. This is, I mean, I want Amy to pump, SPY to go down, and Riot to go up. It's a hard ask. It's a hard ask, but got to do it. So Netflix, look out below. Yeah, everything could look out below if the SPY keeps selling off like this. But let's see what happens. The 13 starting to bend down. Jimmy kind of hanging right around that 25 MA right here. And then Riot is just going on a freaking moon mission right here. What's up, Mass Gang? How you doing? 22% overall gain using 1348. The SPY call was a big winner. There you go, buddy. All right. So what are we looking at on these Riots now? 7% on the Riots. Barely green on the SPY put. Let's see. JK already got the 445 for SPY. There you go. Close Apple, 110% gain. Nice. All right. So SPY wants to come up here. Riot is going on a freaking moon mission right here. Holy, this is getting jumpy. So SPY wants to bounce a little bit here. Riot is having an unbelievable time on this. SPY chilling. Amy. Here comes Riot. Watch the previous day high at 1810. If it breaks that, this one could get wild. Let's see. Oh, here comes Riot. Here comes Riot. SPY. Some analyst said Bitcoin to 200K by the end of the year. Oh, great. Let's Riot go. All right, SPY pop in here. I'll probably ditch this SPY put right here. I'll just take it back and play the Riot out. So Riot's going freaking on a moon mission here. We're up 10% on these. Here we go. Riot, new day highs. SPY flickering around. Amy popping back up here. I love to see it. Here we go. What's up with the likes, family? Hit that like button. Says KB. Yeah, for everybody filtering in. Make sure you guys hit that like button. BBIG just had a 580K neutral order. Well, that's weird. That's suspicious. All right, Amy 1612. We got GME starting to come up a little bit here too. Oh ho ho ho! What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Mic check, mic check.
Gotcha.
Oh, there we go. There we go. I think I beat. Yeah, I definitely beat you, Mugs, over here.
I think you did. Look at this Riot nuclear move right here. This is pretty sweet.
Oh my God. Mara is up big.
I know.
SPY's still sitting at 450 though.
I thought SPY was gonna really start to sell off once it broke this level here, and it's just not. So I think I sold off the little put that I had, and I'm just gonna ride these Riots out for a while.
Oh man. Okay. Yeah. I need to get out of my puts. I had puts too, and they just did not do well.
I swore it was going to test the range and then sell really hard like yesterday. That's what it looked like it was going to do. Dude, Riot looks like it could go big.
Wait, hold on a second. Question. Did Riot get news?
I think somebody said like Bitcoin to 200K. I haven't seen anything come out about it though. It's just little 1348 cross and it's just going.
Marathon Digital Holdings will trade a lot of money to spend, has taken a noticeably bearish stance on Marathon Digital Holdings, looking at options. Interesting.
Lou mentioned TMI in today's video. Oh, that's hilarious. I wonder what nonsense has been spewed about that.
I'm sorry?
That's what's Dr. Fish just said. Lou mentioned TMI.
Really?
Did he now?
Let's go check out to see what came out here. Wait, what video?
Yeah, which one of the 17 million that get posted every day? But like, no, not a YouTuber. Amy with a pop.
There's so many videos, guys. I don't know which one. There's so many.
He said he's buying TMI. Well, I don't think TMI is for sale. So
TMI comes over to continue the version of the view. DK, I like that. I like that.
What'd he say?
He said TMI comes over to continue his version of the view, talking about anything and everything other than freaking stocks or AMC. I like that. I like that.
Vix do the Lou? Nah.
Okay, hold on. Which video? Did you get a response back with which video?
I don't think so. He said I'll find it. All right.
Okay. Hey, respect, buddy. Respect. I'm gonna go look for a Is Lou in the 1348 group? Yeah. You didn't hear? You didn't hear?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. We were streaming with him last night.
Yeah, exactly. You guys private stream. You guys would know about that. The private link. We had Lou on there.
Yeah. He probably didn't want to tell you about that, but it's true.
Exactly. It's like a lot of things like those. Never mind.
Oh, be careful now. Apparently he's gonna be getting YouTubers. Okay, the last video he posted was 17 hours ago, apparently.
Oh, interesting. So I think Dr. Fish might be capping.
Dr. Fish, are you capping?
He's capping. Ford about to run. Sorry, it was Common Sense Guy. I don't know who that is.
Wait, he said TMI's already bought?
TMI's already bought? Oh no.
I tweeted
Who
out how
bought him?
much, just so you guys are clear. If you guys want to know, I tweeted out what my price is.
What is it? 100 mil?
A while back. No, don't disrespect me like that.
What do you mean? That's what our Rumble price was.
No. Oh, yeah.
That's what we were saying. It's like, oh, I'll take 100 million.
We almost got wild. We almost got wild. Oh, let me see here. I'm just gonna type in mass_investor price. I tweeted up my prices. I think it's like in the billions. I said it's in the billions, and I'm gonna pay off everyone that follows me.
Oh, that's smart. That's good. See what I would do. This is the way I think about it. I would then take the money, make the most wild video of all time, then whistle blow to Gary, take Gary's money, and then just go buy some AMC with it.
Love it. See, now that's the plan. That's the plan.
New highs on Amy.
I love it. See, this is the thing. The last time that I bought back into AMC, hold on. It was, I want to say like 8 or 10% lower than it is right now. So I am freaking happy. I think if you bought AMC once a week since May, you'd probably be in the green fairly soon.
I think so too.
But that's, T-My is actually Ken Griffin. He tricked us with the mask.
You got him.
Yeah.
Let's see. Riot. Come on, Riot. 6% is not enough on these contracts. Come on. This is silly. All right. Charge point seeing more volume. Oh, we crushed it on the charge point this morning.
Did you? How was it?
Oh, it was good. I wrote it. I did hit this, I think, this little 1348 on charge point, and then it sold back off, and I was like, okay, goodbye.
See you later.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it did have a nice jump there. What's that? 1255 to what?
1310, I think it was 13 something.
Riot is just doing amazing right now.
I need some more. Don't be shy. Pour some more.
Shy? Or be shy. What's that from?
I think it's a TikTok.
1 second here. No price, no dates. Ding dong. The price is wrong.
Come on, 17. I want it. Is the screen supposed to be black? I can't see.
Oh, here. It says, we just had a discussion in the live chat. If you would like to pay me off to stop talking about AMC, my price is $1 trillion and I'm snitching. Take it or leave it. I tweeted this out August 2nd, 2021. Hey, man, look, it is what it is. It's out there. I'm not going to hide mine. If the SEC wants to take a look at that, take a look at that. Hey, it is what it is. $1 trillion and I'm snitching.
Exactly. That's just how it goes. Like, you think that I love there's two things that are always the funniest thing that we always see. The first one is they sold it 72, and somebody was asking me today, they were like, oh, well, if you're so smart, why didn't you tell everybody to sell at 70? I'm like, well, first of all, I'm not going to tell everybody to sell. And second, how the hell was I supposed to know?
Dude, it was at 72 for less than 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Like, what?
Yeah, and then the other one was like, oh, they've been paid off. It's like, if you get paid off, you don't snitch, you're stupid.
And it's like, I sent a text, and mind you, people, so this is what I don't understand. AMC on a run to 72 would make anybody more money than a payoff would. If you're giving us this much intelligence, and we knew the stock was going to go up to 72 and stop, then we would have bought calls and puts, and there would be no need for payoff. I would be a billionaire at this point in time if I knew exactly when that.
Exactly.
I wouldn't need a payoff. I just trade it and then
nobody knows. It's crazy.
Yeah.
The riots are still slightly green. Very, very slightly, though. It's coming down, though. SPY's coming down.
Let's go. We're spy. Oh, there we go. There we go. The puts are green again.
There you go. Come on, Amy. New day high. Just get up there.
Of course,
Didn't Gabe say he sold? No, you're listening to nonsense.
Gabe is one of the few people that have actually seen their account.
Yeah, exactly.
Whereas like I actually know that didn't happen.
Lisa, you're spewing nonsense. We will have none of that over here. We have a no nonsense policy on this channel. Lisa, that's like 17 times. You are actually getting banned for this. Screw you. You're spamming. Just kidding. I'm going to put you in timeout. I don't ban anybody. I didn't ban Austin earlier. And Austin is like 99% of the time saying negative things.
There you go.
SVG sell your spy puts. Avocado, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I can always get them again.
Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, I got to jump. I got to go some food. I'll talk to you in a bit, though.
Later, buddy. Have some fun.
Good luck. And have fun with the riots. Those things are killing it.
I'm hoping. I want these to go boom.
All right. Easy, bro.
Later, buddy.
Guys, smash that like button. Smash that like button.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just house out. Come on, Amy. New day high. Just go. Up. Up. Let's go. Let's see what happens here. Spy might get another test of this upper level. Let's see what happens here. We got Amy trying. Here we go. Lulu about to cross. Interesting. We didn't start the fire. Is it true that STV is 85% liquid IV? Yes. Disney play tonight? Disney's not today. Disney's tomorrow. Disney's Thursday, I think. Smash the like. Thank you. Spy coming down. Riot coming down. That's not what we wanted to see out of this. That is not what we wanted to see. Netflix cross. Yeah, I think Spy's going to end up coming down here. But let's see. Did I miss a super? I think I did. Amy and Jimmy, thank you so much for the super. It would have been so epic if another June 2nd happened when you guys and Trey were streaming together. Yeah, that day will come. We will get there. Don't worry. I think that day will come at some point. So Riot up and down, just being a little bit of an a-hole over here. Let's see what happens with it. Gonna play by the rules on the 1348. Little stop, see what happens. Amy coming back up here a little bit. 1614. Spy just trying to flicker around over here. I do think Spy ends up coming down. Jimmy at 112.55. Hold on. Do I like pineapple pizza? No. Still holding my Spy calls from this morning. Printing. There you go. Here we go. 2 weeks. What's 2 weeks? Not Joe Exotic. Why are you saying 2 weeks? If you keep spamming, I'm going to time you out because this is nonsense. What is 2 weeks? Okay, you're done. Timeout. What is this? What is this nonsense over here? Riot, what in the actual F are you doing? You were supposed to go up. All you spammers are just like, come on. Disney on Wednesday after close? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. What is this? Oh, he's the shill from Weeble comments? Interesting. Spy teetering over here. Let's see what happens with Riot. If it breaks 1790, I'm probably out. So we'll see. Spam hater? Yeah, I am a spam hater. I don't like it. Right. We're done. Actually, not yet. I'll give it a little bit. Yeah, no. Screw off. This is nonsense. All right. So let's see. We got a firm cross in the 3-minute. Pop some oxy calls. I could. We could see what happens here. So Riot just kind of flickering around doing its thing. I think Spy is still going to end up coming down here. So let's see what we can get going into tomorrow. Spy. Let's see. I need to employ STV as a spam filter. Yeah, you should, because look at all this spam coming in. So Amy right now, 1608, doing all right. GME coming down. Everything's starting to make its way down now. What's with the send sell-off today? I mean, nothing. Probably just a, what do you call it? This is all on tomorrow's SEC rules. Stop it. Don't. I have no idea what Disney's going to do, but guys, again, like we say all the time, do not play stuff one way. Don't do it. You're just setting yourself up for failure. BBIG, how's this thing doing over here? BBIG not doing so hot today. Bought calls and puts to hedge my position on Disney. Good. Very, very, very smart. Very smart over there. DraftKings about to cross down. Ooh. Let's see. Twitter cross down. Thoughts on lift? I'll play lift. I will play lift. All right. So we got 15 minutes until things usually start to get a little wild. Amy looking like she wants to come up here. Let's see if she gets some volume to start popping up. 1614. Let's see if she can break that previous day high of 1633. What's going on with SPY right now? Nothing too wild. We got GME trying to make its way back up here. It's at 113. What do we got? How are we going to call you a spam filtering startup? I don't know. I don't know, buddy. Let's see. DraftKings. Cross down. Yeah, it looks like it wants to cross down, hanging right around the 200 right here. Let's see. Affirm crossing down. BBBY, I think, crossing down. SPY is now coming down. So watch out below on the SPY. You've lost $50 already in 1348 in 3 days. Well, it's very head fakey, and that's barely any. What are you trying to say? 1348 doesn't work? It does work very, very, very well. Let's see. Yeah, I'll throw the link to the free part of the Discord in the chat right now and pin it to the top. If you guys do want to learn more about the strategy that everybody's printing on, that I sell Riot. I was in and out of Riot really quick. I just took the loss really quick. 10%. In, out, buy. If you played it on the 1348 though, when it actually crossed, you would have crushed it. So like right here, breaks it from 1753 all the way up to 1818. That's dirty. I just didn't see it. Tried to chase it. Didn't work. Didn't follow the rules. And that's what happened. Oh, I got to pin this to top. Hold on. Pin. Alrighty. 1348 has worked really good for me. There you go. When we see more volume of shorts recovering? Yes. Amy, hold on. Hold your horses. Come on. Come on, Amy. Come on. Let's see here. Lisa, what the hell are you talking about? If you don't like Gabe, that's cool. But you're just spewing nonsense. That's exactly what you're doing. If you keep spewing bullshit, I'm going to actually ban you. I don't ban anybody. So if somebody actually gets banned by me, you did something wrong. Let's see. Amy coming up a little bit here. 1624. SPY getting a little bit of a pop. Riot's coming back to life here. Let's see. Verizon crossing. Securities lending volume on Ortex last metric shows a huge spike. Well, yeah, we've seen it. That means that they're lending out, like in terms of volume every single day. Lots of shares. Yeah, look at this. Holy shit. 69 million on Monday, February 7th. This is craziness. All right, Amy popping back up a little bit here. 1624. SPY might make a little bit of move. Riot coming back up after this little sell-off. Let's see. You think you're getting some Baba? I don't personally like Baba. Amy, a little candle here. I like it. 1623. I want a new day high. That's what I want. Riot coming back to life over here. Ed, what are you doing? I don't know what you're talking about. Are those FTDs? No. That's securities lending volume. Short interest is about 50% on Russell. Yeah, it's insane. It's insanity on the Russell. Let's see. CFVI, is that coming up? Hold your horses. Amy, hold on. Amy with a candle here. Oh, Amy about to make a new day high. Here we go, people. Rockets and basketballs. Here we go. Amy is pushing that new day high over here. We are 2 cents away from Amy's previous high. Here we go. CFVI coming up. GME trying to get a little bit of a pop here too. Oh, baby. Come on. Come. Baba puts might print. They might. Come on, Amy. Let's new day high over here. Bouncing off the 13 EMA. Looking like it wants to come up. CFVI doing good. Shorting these. Yeah. Like, come on, get that nonsense out of here. Rockets and basketballs. There we go, people. Also, guys, like button on the stream too. We're going to be on until the end of the day. It is going to be a fun time over here. Oh, baby. Article on AMC. Shit. I mean, it's lights, camera, and some action for IMAX China. I don't really care about IMAX China. Not gonna lie. Amy 1626 right now, up 9%, looking pretty solid. Prague up 12.5. There we go. There we go. All right. So CFVI is making a little bit of a move here. SPY just kind of hanging out at this double bottom right here at around 449.64, trying to come back up. Amy, what's the volume today? 33 million. Nothing too crazy. So what do we got? Oh, the Subi sickness. What's up, buddy? How you doing? That is perfectly allowed spam. If you're gonna spam bullish things like that, Amy, come on, make that new day high over here. Let's go. Rumble signing Joe Rogan. No, that was from yesterday. All right, come on, penny off the day high on Amy. 2 pennies off. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, AMC. I know you can. I know you can get that nice little boom boom candle. Oh, there it is. There it is. Here we go. 1640 right here. New day high. 1638.39 right now. Up about 10% on the day. Here we go, people. Come on. 155% on your AMC calls. There you go. There you go. Amy's getting a little bit jumpy over here. Look at this 1348 crosses right here. You get them right here. Whoop, right up. There you go. So SPY kind of hanging out right here. CFVI coming back down. GME not really getting that much of a pop right here. 10.75% in the green. Here's the thing. We got a lot of really good news with AMC today, and it's starting to reflect in the share price as of right now. There could be a lot of nonsense that we see going into the end of the day, but right now it's looking fire. Where are my shills at? Where are my shills at? I want them. I want them. Bring them over. Bring them over. Let's see. Bing bong. All righty, people. How are we doing? What's the news? I must have missed it. So, news on AMC, they acquired 2 new theaters. So, 2 new theaters for AMC, or not acquired, it's a lease agreement. So, everybody that's like, they should have paid off debt. Shut up. They are literally the lease agreement. It allows them to, they're just signing a lease, not buying it. So, they lease it and they can also pay down debt if they want to, and they've just refinanced their debt. So, good to go on that part. The second thing that we need to look out for is they also are doing the Batman NFT. And from what you guys have said, also, Amy's right at this previous day high. This could get nutty really quick. So, the Batman NFT is really going to jack up ticket sales because new day high on AMC right here coming up 1644. Watch that 1650. If we can start to get up, that'll be pretty fun. Ooh. Here we go. 1348 crossed on the 1 hour. There we go. Where's the shill from earlier today? I don't know. Up 110% on my AMC calls. There you go. So GME's up 10.5%. AMC's up 10.2%. SPY's just kind of flickering right here. AMC doesn't really give a shit, which is what I like to see. BKKT exploding, going back to 60. Interesting. What's BKKT doing? I mean, it was down a lot today, and then it rallied back. It's not exploding. It's coming back to life a little here. Amy's looking jumpy. Here we go, everybody. Come on. Take a look at TLT. Oh, BKKT is tanking right now. TLT's starting to move up here. SPY's coming down. Amy doesn't really care, though. AMC also at the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. Cross on the 1 hour, right? Yeah. When's the hour? So we got 8 minutes. If this candle closes above 1632 on the 1 hour, this could go nutty. Amy. Where's Amy? Coming up. Jimmy. What's up with Jimmy? 113. Okay, Jimmy. Verizon, 17 in the next 45 minutes. There you go. That's, yeah, BKKT not ripping. 17 is Max Payne. Yep. Yeah, don't get greedy on those calls. We could easily see a little bit of a sell-off here, but if SPY holds this and starts to trend up, this could be nutty. All right, approaching new day highs on AMC. We're a penny off. Now we're at it. Now new day highs right here. Getting some boom boom candles. Here we go. 1650 up 10.5%. GME's up 10.8. We're up 10.5% right now. 1653 new day high. AMC is going strong right now. Are shorts covering? I wouldn't say that. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I don't think anybody else is live right now. So if we need if people need to find somewhere to go to watch some AMC stuff, let's help them out. 1645 right now. SPY's just kind of hanging around here. Ooh, baby. 52% on AMC calls. There you go. Amy passing Jimmy. Yeah, sort of. Lou is Brian. No. All right. So AMC Ortex right here. 21.27% estimated short interest right now with a net 2.89 million shares returned today. Francisco, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Why did Peloton earnings say Q2 of 2022, according to Benzinga? Could be a typo, or their fiscal quarter's a little bit messed up. Adam Aaron tweet, hold your horses. 32 seconds ago, Adam Aaron tweet. So here's what we got over here with it. I'm so incredibly happy for the First Lady of AMC. Nicole Kidman was nominated for Best Actress Oscar, the 5th such Oscar nomination for her illustrious career. So it doesn't have all that much to do with us, but Adam Aaron did tweet. Why isn't AMC trending on Yahoo? I don't know. Stole a bunch of money with my prog calls today, 120%. There you go. This isn't shorts covering or gamut. No, SCV, is it Don Julio time? That's 1942. That's what we got to get up to for Don Julio. So SPY's just kind of hanging around here. Amy is at 1640. TLT might get a little TLT crossed here, so that could be a little interesting. GME is up 10.73. Come on, Amy, let's go. But Francisco, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Long on Nicole. There you go. Watch short interest drop in the morning. It might a little bit, but nothing too crazy. This isn't like a short cover move. This is more of just like buying pressure slowly coming in, and there's less sellers today. Guys, I couldn't find a gallon in the grocery store this morning. Yes, check security lending and on AMC. You guys told me about that earlier. It's fucking crazy. Look at this. Securities lending volume is the highest it's ever been. Highest it's ever been. Look at this. On June 4th, the securities lending volume was 43 million. On February 7th, it was 69 million. Are you kidding me right now? AMC's starting to come up again. Here it comes. SPY's getting a little bit of a green candle here. If SPY starts to come back up, we are going to have some freaking boom boom candles over here, people. This is going to be fun. Look at the BBIG candle. Is it coming up? TLT is still moving to the upside here, so watch out on that. AMC approaching new day highs over here, people. Here we go. Come on. Are those new shares available to short? Sort of. They've got like 10 million to use against it right now. BBIG to the downside. SPY just hanging right around, banging its head on the top of the 13 EMA. We got GME starting to come up a little bit here. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Up 40% on $16 March 22nd call. There you go. People just got here. Dropped a like. Thank you. I appreciate that, Matt Synthetic Girlfriend. What's up, man? What does security lending volume mean, please? It's just the amount of shares getting loaned out and returned in a day. It's the amount of action getting taking place in the securities lending market. I can look it up and give you an actual definition of it. If you want like an Investopedia. Oh, securities lending volume, according to the financial. Oh, wait, hold on. It's just the amount of shares getting like start cycling in and out. So the action on AMC right now, that is the highest we've ever seen it. AVCT coming up. I know Sam. I mean, it's still sold off a lot. All right, Amy is looking like it wants to come up and just get that previous day high. If SPY starts to break back into this range, watch 17 on Amy. YouTube turned off. I'm watching you in my chart. That's YouTube's being annoying. 1348. Yep. Everything on 1348 says AMC is ready for liftoff. Yeah, it is. What time is it right now? So we got 3 minutes. So this 1 hour chart right here, we would have to stay above 1632 to get to have a closing candle above the 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart. If that happens, we could get jumpy. 30 minute, it's already looking good. 5 minute, looking awesome. Do I ship hoodies to the UK? I probably do. You just have to pay for it, I think. Like number 844. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, Amy, here we go. We are 2 cents off the previous day high, 1 cent off the previous day high. Here it comes. Come on. 34 million in volume. Volume starting to step up on Amy here a little tiny bit. Actually, not really. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Get that little pop. SPY with a little pop here. Come on, Amy. I know you can do it. 2 weeks. All right. You're done. Bye-bye. Let's see. Amy popping up. That was the first ban in forever. I don't know what this 2 week thing is. If this is like calling out for like a date, especially get that crap out of here. We don't want any dates. Stop with the 2 weeks bullshit. Well, I don't know what this is. Hold on. Not Joe Exotic. I'm going to unban you because I don't know what this is. My like is only $6.95. YouTube plan. Oh, new day highs on AMC right here. Up 11% right now. GME is up 12%. We are pumping. Here we go. New high at 1658. Come on. AVCT is looking good over here. Chewy. Interesting. Interesting. You dropped 10K at GME at 200. Still waiting. Hey, man. I mean, we're coming up. Oh, come on, Amy. Just keep breaking these previous day highs. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. What is up with this chat? It's going. It's going. It's flying. All right. I have no idea what this 2 weeks nonsense is. All right, people. Here we go. Amy coming up here. Come on. Break that previous day high again. Go. SPY coming up here. Yeah, here it comes. New day highs on Amy right here. It is just slowly stair-stepping its way up. Robert, thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys don't have to join that if you guys don't want to. It's just for extra support of the channel. Thank you, guys. Ethan, thank you so much for that super too, buddy. I appreciate that. Welcome, Robert. There we go. All right. Amy, 1660 right here. SPY is now above the 13 EMA and the 25 MA, so that could be a good sign over here. All right, we got that closing candle where we needed it to go. Let's see if we get some boom boom candles now. Here we go. 1 hour candle above. Yep. Do you still think SPY is going to come back down? It's possible, but with the way the market's trending right now, maybe not as likely. We're about to get that 5-minute MACD cross coming up here. Here we go. New day highs on AMC. There we go. Get up to 17. Here we go. Up 11.7% on the day. What is happening? We're ripping, dude. We are having a solid day today off some good news. SPY settling down. AMC 1666. Here we go. Yeah, for this type of move, it's a little bit low. Let's go to 17. Let's go. 17. Here we go. Breaking new day highs over here again. Come on. Here we go. What was max pain level? Max pain 17. On Webull, level 2 sellers are selling for 25. The orders can't be going through, though. They shouldn't be going through. SPY taking a little bit of a breather here. AMC's at 1665, up 11.5%. GME's up 11.8%. Stocks are getting interesting. Ooh, come on. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. Let's get some freaking candles here, people. Come on. Let's see that new day high on Amy now. I want 17. I want 17 on Amy. Come on. Let's do it. Ortex on AMC and IWM. Yeah, AMC Ortex right here. The securities lending volume is absolutely crazy. 21.27% estimated short interest. 109 million shares currently estimated to be short. 121 million shares on loan, though, so they do have a lot of shares. IWM's like 50% shorted right now. It's absolutely drunk. So let's take a look at this over here. Let's see what they did on it today. So 50.34% estimated short interest on this thing. We got 98% utilization on IWM and 1.45% cost to borrow. That's craziness. It's hunting. She's hunting for it. You want 50? Me too. Come on, Amy. Let's see. Okay. What was the good news today? So the good news that we had on AMC was one, I have them up here if we want to go over it really quickly. We had this first one, AMC moviegoers who purchase or reserve their ticket by February 14th and see the Batman by March 6th will receive the Batman NFT courtesy of AMC and Warner Brothers. Remember what happened the last time? Those NFTs were selling for a lot of money. It entices people to buy more tickets. The second thing that we saw was this right here. Sorry, I don't have a gallon anymore. They didn't have any more gallons at CVS. AMC Theaters reaches lease agreements with URW, announces additional high-profile major market acquisitions. So they're leases of former ArcLight locations in DC and in the San Diego areas. So very, very good over here. This guy has a live stream and now sent these people. Okay, who? Who, bro? Let's see. Where's the guy earlier that said he was shorting the crap out of AMC? How's that going for you, Justin Craig? I don't know. I'd love to see how his day's going. But it's probably similar to a lot of. All right, SPY is looking like it wants to get back up into this supply and demand zone range right here. Amy, new day highs. Here we go. 1669, new day high on AMC. Here it comes, making its way all the way up to 17 here. We're up 12%. GME is up 11.4. So AMC right now is at 1670, looking like it wants to come up here. What's BBIG? I mean, I don't really care at this point. We are ripping over here. BBIG not really doing a whole lot. AMC is looking for that move up to 17. That could be some fun over here. Vegas, what's up, buddy? I asked him SCV. Let's see, and maybe we can pay him a visit. Who Vegas? Who is doing this? I don't know who that is. But cool. Interesting. So Amy looking like it wants to come up. Oh, 2 weeks? Cool. I don't know what that is. That's pretty stupid, though, if you're calling for it to happen in 2 weeks. Let's see how your price target goes and your date hasn't really worked out for you in the past. We're just kind of looking at these boom boom candles just fire off here. Woo! Over 3K in here. Smack that like button. Thank you, Pedro. I appreciate that. Ban all shills, saying 2 weeks, please. Yeah, if we see any mods, if we see any 2 week nonsense, I don't know what it is. So can you time it out if I don't see it? Let's see. Is Apple Crossing 1348? I don't know. SPY is looking like it wants to come back up into this range, though. If it doesn't, gets a little jumpy. I mean, I'd have to extend. I'll extend this little box after. Amy. Here we go. New day highs coming right here. Come on. A little bit of more buyers coming in. This is going to crack. I think we're going to hit 17 today. I think so. We might get a 20% drop today. It's probably a joke. I think it's stupid. We don't need any nonsense in here. Yeah, I don't know. But let's see. Come on. Okay. 1674 right now on Amy looking all right. SPY trying. BBIG selling. Holding my calls like a fool. Be careful. 55 degrees this Saturday. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, so here's the reason why this 2 week shit is stupid. Now everybody's in here is like, oh my God, we're going to squeeze in 2 weeks. Whoever's doing that today is not being a very smart person. 1675. Come on, Amy. 3 cents, 4 cents off the previous day high. SPY trying. You're up 20% on Lyft. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. Okay. Okay. All right. Space Monkey, thanks for the super. I know what you were doing. I know what you were doing. Yeah, thanks for the super, but I think the mods got that one. All right. Yeah, we don't care about dates. 250% on an AMC call. There you go. There you go. All right. 1676 right now. Oh, SPY coming up into this range here. Watch new day highs coming on AMC. 1681 is the previous day high. It looks like it just hit it. So let's see if we can get another one over here. 170% on calls. There you go. There you go. Affirm is ripping. Not really. All right. SPY back into the box here. Woo. Come on, Amy. Let's see. 250% on calls. There you go. Do you all think the new SEC rules have anything to do with the meme stocks rising? No, not at all. Nothing in the rule would trigger any covering. If you read the rules, it's like, nothing really is in there. So 1671 on AMC right now. We got SPY trying to peek its head into this range here. If it does with any sort of momentum, you could see SPY start to go and then Amy back up. But again, if we start to see the market sell off, Amy could start to sell off. That's very, very possible. 250%, 256% on AMC calls. There you go. Am I playing Peloton tonight? No. Peloton already reported, I believe, guys, in this morning. Pants are ripping. There we go. People are saying margin calls, huh? It's possible. Probably not, though, with the way that things have been going recently. This run have to do with TLT lit exchange shifts? I don't think so. What happens as they unhedge puts? They buy. So, I mean, we can take a look at the options chain for this week. It's nothing crazy. So, it's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. Running these calls in the money right here. from 15, 6,000, 5,000, 6,000, 5,000. And then these puts out 2,000, 4,000. Oh, wait, hold on. 4,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. Oh, okay. 17, we get a decent amount of puts getting unhedged for. That's actually not bad. Okay, so Amy's selling off a little bit here. SPY getting knocked down a little. But if Amy comes down and touches this 13 EMA, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. And then it can just keep coming back up. What do those yellow orange candles on Ortex mean? I showed it earlier. That's securities lending volume. It's crazy high. TLT running. Ooh, that's not what we want. For TLT, watch it at the 200 EMA if it's going to get all the way up there. Yeah, if it TLT is run here, so watch out below on the SPY. Does Lyft report later today? Yeah, Lyft reports after hours today. So I'll probably do a little bit of a Lyft play just for fun. Ain't getting a little bit of a candle over here, but if it comes, yeah, it might come down and test this 13 before it wants to come up anymore. It did it back here a couple of times and then just ripped to new day highs. So let's see what happens if the SPY is going to take a little bit of a breather before it wants to get back into this range. And then we can see some more boom boom candles on AMC over here. My Tesla calls? I don't have any Tesla calls. Smash that like, says Pam. I appreciate that, Pam. Incoming rip on the Russell. If IWM might touch this and come back up. Let's get SPY back up here. Amy popping back up, 1653. Little 20-cent candle over here on the 5-minute. Let's see what happens over here. Yeah. Need more like buttons, people. Thank you guys. Peloton puts have any F filings? What do you mean F filings? What are F filings? Like 13 Fs? We can look, but it doesn't. The 13 Fs don't really like. I'll pull it up. We can take a look. But it's nothing all that wild. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure. Oh wait, hold on. Florida sold a little bit. Let me look at the percentage changes over here. Nothing crazy on institutional. First Trust Advisors increased by 136%. And then nothing crazy. Yeah, nothing crazy over here on 13Fs on AMC. So, Amy popping back up. 1657 over here. Come on, people. What is 1348? I mean, it's a strategy that people have been using on options to make a boatload of cash. If you do want to learn more about it, make sure you check out that the link to the free part of the Discord in the top of the chat over here. You can watch all the videos. I wouldn't say pay for the premium version until you know the strategy. Once you know the strategy and you want to get a better look of the market, then definitely consider it. But the strategy's out there for free. Space Monkey, thanks for the super, buddy. Will FB bounce? My average is 240. Facebook. Let's take a look. I mean, right now, probably not. Right. It's going to take, I would say, 6 months to a year for Facebook to really rebound, and they would need to really start to put out some good news. So 1657 on AMC right now, up about 11%. SPY's just kind of bouncing right here off of this 13 EMA. AMC didn't get down to its, but we have that previous day high at 1681. If we can break that, I'd say we can get a nice little run to 17, which would be sweet. GME's previous day high is 117.67. If GME gets some buyers, they could help Amy come up with us. MACD cross back here. Let's see if it can cross back up. SPY looks like it wants to get a 5-minute MACD cross to the upside. If it does that, that could be pretty sweet for the market. That sends us up into this box. Whew! Put season, maybe. SPY would drop as AMC squeezes. It's possible. Q4 13Fs are due institutional ownership. Yeah. They have 7 more days. You got until the 14th to buy. Buy what? LFG, today's a good day. What's up, Hayden? How you doing, buddy? So Amy right now is looking like, all right, so SPY needs this little MACD cross. We need a little bit more buyers to come in on the SPY to get stuff going in our direction. Again, we need the market to hold up in order for us to hold these gains and make more gains. So people like to say that it's like not correlated to the market. It doesn't follow SPY. I mean, it pretty much follows like IWM and SPY because those are going to move together a lot of the time. Amy coming up here. Is IWM getting a little bit of a pop here when SPY is not? Now, I mean, IWM is bouncing off of its 13 right now. If it makes that new day high at 2, IWM looks a little jumpy here. Amy, 1660. Come on. Whew. You can say no dates, but I just gave one. No, I didn't. When did I say that? When did I give a date? for Facebook to get back to 240. I have no idea if Facebook's going to do that. IWM, okay. Let's go, Amy. Here we go. Biden's about to speak. It's not usually the best thing. Amy coming back up, 1664, getting some buyers over here. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it, people. All righty. All right, come on. So, 1652. IWM looking like it wants to get GME selling off a little here. Amy's holding strong though right now. Holding strong. Let's see. Yeah, Vegas, we don't have to do any of that. I don't want to give this nonsense person attention. Facebook isn't worth 200. Interesting. Ape Town, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What is security lending volume on Ortex and why the huge spike today? It's just the amount of shares getting circulated in the securities lending market. So when we go back to AMC here, we've never seen it this high ever. So when we go over here and we take securities lending volume, like, look at this. 69 million, 70 million shares have been cycling out on yesterday on AMC. You know how crazy that is in the securities lending market for AMC to have that many shares cycling in and out? What was it on like June 2nd? Well, this is June 4th, the big day right here, and that was 43 million in volume. So again, one, they're really trying to not only just attack stuff, but they're just trying to push it down and they're trying to scare you. I mean, if you're done, if you're like fully ready to go, like you're like, yeah, these price movements can't scare me, then who cares what the price is doing? That's where I am. I'm like, you want to mess with the price? Cool. It just creates more short interest and more shares that you need to buy back when we end up running. So IWM getting a little sell candle here. Watch out on AMC. Let's see what SPY's doing over here. Hold your horses. SPY, not ideal. Could come down and bounce off this 48. Amy has not come down and test this 13 yet. If it does, where is it at? 1635, and we could just bounce off of that here. Where do shares available to borrow come from? Well, any institution or prime broker with clients that has shares that they say that they want to loan. GME Ortex, yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely nuts. GameStop's Ortex is freaking crazy. So when we come over here, we have GME, 86.48% utilization, 3.86% cost to borrow, 21% estimated short interest. Here's the crazy thing on GME that I want to show you guys, that there's more people in here now, so this is going to resonate with more people. Estimated short interest as a percentage of the free flow just on GameStop. Look what happened. Where was it in November? Take a guess. Well, you don't have to guess. It was 8.6% in November. Then we started to see all of these sell-offs, and what happened? All the way up to 21.84%. That is a massive spike in short interest. Where are the 1348 crosses? Well, on AMC, you got one right back here at 1492, and then it just goes on a freaking moon mission all the way up to 16. Like, that's crazy. 1648 right now on AMC. SPY's kind of pulling back up on this candle. I want to see more day highs. 1681. I'd love to see it breaks whatchamacallit, 17 today. That would be awesome. It's self-reporting. Nah, sort of. Weird, almost like they're correlated. Exactly. So when I say like they're just attacking it, they're literally just trying to push it down, and you have just data to support it right here. It's like they're trying to mess with you. They are trying to mess with you. It wasn't a YouTuber. It was a Twitter account that was pumping penny stocks and then was selling into his audience. You can't do that. Let's see here. Oh, baby. Amy at 1647. SPY flickering around here. Let's see if we can get some Facebook coming down. Oh, baby. GME 113.19. I'm sweating over here. This is fun. Got my ticket to see the Batman 2 on 3-1. Pam, there you go. Zero or hero. There we go. When do Batman tickets go on sale? I thought it was the 10th, but I guess people have been buying them. Let's see. Hold on. What happened with nothing? 1649. Is Facebook doing good? We didn't start the meta. All righty. Are you going to play Disney? They're pricey. Disney's not today. Disney's tomorrow. Disney's tomorrow after close. Today's Wednesday. So I'll look at lift by close. Amy 1650 right here, popping back up. Come on. Love your show, Bill Boy. I appreciate that, buddy. You couldn't buy last night. Yeah, I thought it went on the 10th. That's what it says here. So when you look here, oh, I know this is the theaters. Oh, wait, yeah, this is so right here, tickets for Warner Brothers, The Batman go on sale at AMC on February 10th. So I don't know how people are buying tickets right now. The AMC report says they go on sale on the 10th. Oh, IMAX theater tickets. Oh, so you guys aren't buying the AMC ones? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Let's see. The app. What are you talking about? Space Monkey. Thank you so much for the super, bud. Put DUX Strike 77 for 745 premium 228 thoughts. Early access. Oh, Investor Connect pre-sale tickets. That's what it is. Okay, cool. I don't know. DWAC, I don't touch just because it's so volatile. It'll just rip up, rip down, and the premium, like you just said, are so expensive. I just personally don't like to touch it, but thank you for the super. It's just that stock is just weird. It just moves and then it just tanks. So you're kind of YOLOing it there. AMC isn't everywhere. Okay, fair. Let's see. SPY. Nah. Okay, so SPY looks like it might come down and touch this 48. AMC, though, 1651, holding up really strong here. So the buyers are stepping back in on this thing. Horses, there we go. Thoughts on Twitter? I'll play it. Always both ways, though, on earnings. Always both ways. Over here, IMAX is connected to AMC. Okay, fair. If that's what it is, 1649 on Amy right now. So, okay, so SPY's coming down to test this 48 here. If it bounces off of this and starts to crawl back up into this range here, that's going to be really solid. If it doesn't, look out below. Where's TLT? TLT. Alrighty, everybody. Yeah. Oh, so TLT is on its way down here. So we could see spot. So this is bond selling. This is people going out of bonds, potentially back into equities. So if we see this nice bounce off the 48 EMA here and it starts to rip back up, that would be solid. Amy, though, is holding really strong with this little SPY sell-off. 1649. What's IWM looking like over here? IWM, bing bong. All right, IWM selling off too. Amy just doesn't care. She's like, oh, I'm going to go on a little bit of a run today, and there's nothing the market can tell me otherwise. So SPY coming down to the 48. Amy, 1652, looking like she wants to get a little bit of a bounce. There's that negative beta for you guys. Let's see. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Oh, SPY selling hard here. So there it is. There's that SPY candle that I was looking for on those puts earlier that I never got. So Amy right now is still chilling. Doesn't care, man. This is great. Incoming Nicole candles. Bing bong. Nicole's like, it could be nice. Sometimes when you get going, I wonder how your tongue doesn't beat your brain to death. It happens, bro. All right. So now everything's starting to come down a little bit. SPY just blasted right through the 48. Amy coming down to this 13 EMA right here. Let's see if it bounces. 1639 right now. TLT is still coming down though. We have seen them kind of disjoint. When TLT comes down and people are selling bonds, you look at the flow of money. So that means money's going out of the bond market, potentially into the equity market. Is it right now? No. It's just an overall sell of securities that we're seeing. We've seen this happen a lot. Let's see. You can get it today on 3-1 if there's seats. There we go. Incoming Nicole candles. That would be awesome. That would be funny. All right. So let's see if SPY can get a little bit of a bounce here. Amy, 1634, a little bit below this 13 here. TLT still looks like it wants to come down a little tiny bit. Whew, shorts getting frightened with all this transparency. There isn't all this transparency. If you think about what the rule actually is, it's about 5% of the way that we need to go in order to get real transparency in our markets. Let's see. Bye. Long Jericho. There you go, bud. So we are starting to get there with transparency, but we need a long way to go. We have a long way to go. Space Monkey, thank you so much for that super. Slap that like button. Oh, thanks, bud. I'm not going to say the next part because like you guys can do what you want. Just like know what it is and know what it isn't. And don't spread like nonsense that's like crazy. That's all. It's entertaining. Every single time you guys send me one of those, I'm always entertained. Sorry for spamming. AMC Ortex data, please. Yeah, it's like, let me look. It's like 21% something. We've gone over it a lot. So let's see. AMC Ortex right here. We've got about 21.27% estimated short interest on this thing. It's absolutely nutty. Amy bouncing off the 13 right here. What's my exit strategy? Sell my options first, and then what do you call it? and then figure out the shares later. So the options are going to allow me to hold the shares for longer if I want to. Don't forget to buy those close to the money calls to get the most bang for your buck. Let's go. AMC says the game changer. There you go. You'll never mistreat me again, popcorn man. You guys are funny. It's so funny how people try to attack you. You are doing awesome and teaching me a lot. I still have a big hole to dig out from, but picked up a 200% gain today on AMC calls. All thanks to, most likely, this 1348 rip right here. So, guys, just learn the strategy. If you want to buy the premium, awesome. If you don't, just learn the strategy so you can make some more money on the side. Come on, don't stop playing around. Let's see here. SPY's trying to come back up here, but it's not doing all that much. Amy's bouncing off the 13. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, cool. We have another one of those people. Actually, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. I meant to do this instead. Put you on the steps. Timeout. 1640 on AMC right now. All right. So SPY, new candle. Let's see if she can come back up here. It's looking a little bit weak in the overall market. GME's coming down. It's up 9.6%. AMC's up 9.95% over here. Do I have access to unusual whales? Nah, it's a little bit of information overload for me. It's just, I just don't use it. It's good though. If you guys want to use it, definitely go try it out. AMC theaters will need to do showings of STV stream the day of the squeeze. Dude, yeah. So SPY is coming down now. TLT is bouncing off of, what is this? The 48 right here. Amy's down below. It's 13. We're at 1633 right now. Let's see if SPY can get a bounce here. If not, look out below. BBIG hard sitting on this fence. Yeah. What are your SPY puts at? No, I don't have them. I don't have them anymore. Whoops. All right, people. TLT coming up. 1634 on AMC right now. Hopefully SPY gets a little bit of a pop here. AMC must be showing Forrest Gump again because Amy just feels like running. That was good. Kind of hilarious that you don't want to discuss Trace vids directed at Gabe. Here's the thing, Lisa. You have no idea about any of the, like, you don't know him. Like, why? All right, Lisa, you're done. Bye-bye. You're just trying to spew nonsense to attack people. Little drama queen. People do like drama, though. But typically the people like drama, hide user on this channel, don't really like it all that much. You're just creating drama for no reason. You don't like him? That's fine. If you're trying to convince other people not to like him when he's the one that's helping all these people make a lot of money and helping, like, me help these other people make a bunch of money, get out of here with that. That's the first person I've banned in a really long time. Yeah, get that drama nonsense out of here. We're having a good day today, and Lisa's just coming in and just trying to start some nonsense. Get out of here with that. Let's see here. Unusual World's tweet. Kramer says he has faith in. Oh no! Unusual World's tweeted that Kramer said he has faith in Mark Zuckerberg's vision. Puts. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. I'm not watching the line anymore. I'm busy with power outages, and look what happens. Funny. Much love. Peace. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that, bud. So Amy right now coming down to that 25 moving average. So let's see if it bounces off of there. SPY, it looks like it wants to come down a little bit. Freaking knew it, dude. Knew it every single time. Space Monkey says, bye-bye, Lisa. Go watch Lou. Interesting. Yeah, I don't ban anybody, but that nonsense, like starting drama for no reason, that crap gets banned. Who was shorting the F out of AMC today? No, there were people in here that were just like, oh, I'm just shorting it. And it's like, okay, that's fine. Go for it. And then 8% right now. I mean, we went to a high of like 1681. SPY selling down now, coming down to the 200. Let's see. One fast duster. Stop it. Stop it. Do not advertise that because I will have to time you out. Let's see. Yeah. Also, for everybody in here right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, you guys are doing pretty good today on that. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, that's just nonsense. Like, come on. You have no idea about anything. Like, it's just silly. Like, come on. All right, we're done with it now. Netflix feels like a dud. Netflix kind of is a dud. We need that buying pressure. Yeah. Well, there's multiple leases over here. So there's good leases and bad leases. Let's see. NVIDIA looking good for a put. Can you do options on a cash account? Yes. Yes, you can. So Amy's trying to bounce off this 25 right here. SPY's trying to make its way back up. We're at 1623 on AMC right now. All righty, everybody. Has this 2 weeks thing been explained? It's probably more BS coming out from someone who doesn't know what they're talking about. I'm not saying I know what I'm talking about. I'm just saying that sometimes this stuff gets randomly spread that doesn't make any logical sense. Amy coming down. SPY coming down. Let's see. Elbows at 18? No. Remember, we do get ankles at whatchamacallit. We get ankles at 20. So let's see. Facebook getting slaughtered. I mean, after Kramer about it, like that's not great. Yeah. Oh my God. Kramer says something down. All right. So SPY looks like it's going to come down and test this 200 EMA. Hopefully it bounces off of it. If not, that's going to stink. Let's see. What does SPY mean? It's the S&P 500. So SPY trying to get a little pop here. Amy 1612, we're up 8%. GME's up 8.45. Rug pull. I mean, this is typically what happens when we start to see the market just go on a moon mission like this and comes into this range that we've seen many times. It just sells off. I mean, we still have a lot of time though for it to reverse and come back to the upside, but we are looking like it could do a 1348 cross down here. SPY's bouncing here. Amy 1612. Yeah, we're not gonna watch Biden because you guys can't handle it. Just gonna put it out there. NSCC O&O has been moved to April 10th for approval or disapproval of the government pawn shop rule. Yep, that's kind of why when everybody talks about these rules coming out, guys, that new rule, people have been saying it's a maximum of 30 days. It's a minimum of 30 days because that's when the comment period is, and then they start to vote on stuff. So it's a minimum of 30 days for that new rule. That gets us, in my opinion, 5% of where we need to go in terms of transparency. What I really want is FINRA 2119 to get put into effect. The most wild thing that we've seen is that the extended comment period for FINRA 2119 was like September, and then we've seen nothing about it. It's very, very strange. But let's see here. Teach me how to add the 1348 on Webull. You just go to indicators. Actually, okay. So I can't explain it to you right now, Tyler. It's going to take a little while, and I already had it on here. Go join the free part of the Discord and then watch all of the mandatory videos in here. It explains you exactly how to do it. SPY bouncing up a little bit here. Amy 16, 14, 15. Facebook selling off. GME's trying to get above its 48 here. Amy's still above it, so that's decent. Do you see the squeeze happening without any more hype, without any huge FOMO or huge buying pressure? No, absolutely not. Because the thing is that it's going to happen. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. When we start to run, FOMO will come in. Gamma will come in. More buying pressure will always come in. You can't just like shoot up the price. That's just not how it would work. Trophy Hunter Tyler, what's up, buddy? Looking to buy back in here for more in the money calls. David, there you go, buddy. What do you think about Gary's meeting tomorrow? Hopefully he doesn't spew a bunch of nonsense. That's kind of what I'm looking at. So Amy 6 trying to get back up a little bit here. SPY's trying. Where's IWM with all of this? What are we looking at IWM? So it's doing kind of the similar thing that the SPY is doing here. So IWM and SPY are moving together as they typically do. I hate that they changed the names of some of this stuff on Webull. It just makes it look sillier, I think. What up, SV? Let's get that boom boom going, says Aaron. Yep. I like that a whole lot. All righty. Citadel using the borrowed shares. Citadel, okay. Never mind. So SPY's trying to bounce here a little bit, but we'll see. AMC's just hanging right around that 1612 to 1616 range right here. Do you, TMI, and Gabe have a Reddit sub? No, we don't. We have our Discord if you want to come join it for free and talk to us in there. And then Russell bounced before the SPY. Yeah, I mean, it looked the same on the 5-minute. SPY's starting to come up now. Amy 1615, up about 8.3%. Come on. I want to see that new day high. I want to see it to start to come down here and then just really start to get going. The questions were about Russia. Interesting. So there's been a lot of rumors that this Russia thing is a big hoax, like nonsense. Like Russia's not actually going to invade, and they're just doing this to try to try and like not scare people, but there's like there's like a power play. I think it's for oil. We've seen oil really start to go. Spies popping up here a little. Amy 1622. Here we go. Rockets and basketballs. Do it. Come on. Woo. Woo, all those gains are gone. What are you talking about? We're up 8%, buddy. Come on. Come on. It is a hoax. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to invade. Let's see. FYI for everyone, you can't buy tickets on February 10th. I think there's early access though on Investor Connect. I think that's what people have been talking about. So Stubbs members, I think, get early access. Amy trying to get above this 25 MA right here. Spies trying to come back up. I want that 5-minute MACD cross to come on the SPY. That would be pretty sweet. United Nations are very close to the Russian border, and they don't like that. Right. But here's the thing. In order to make it a really convincing hoax, you got to do something like that. Like, that's the thing. Like, you have to make it very convincing. It can't be obvious that they're not actually going to do anything. Like, you have to have some like valid threat. Amy's coming up again here. SPY's starting to move up a little here. 1625. You only 1xx shares in Webull, but I want a margin account. Do you think I should change it to a cash account? I can't tell you what you should or should not do, but you just have to think about the pros and cons. With the cash account, you can make sure that your shares aren't getting loaned out. With a margin account, they're probably going to do it anyway. If you're not buying on margin, you're probably fine. But it does add a little bit more risk. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Grandpa needs to learn how to do puts and calls. I would have puts on Facebook. Teach me, Jack. Do you have classes? I don't, but I'll make a couple of videos about them. That I should do that. I've just been so busy with like school and like this weekend, I was all over the place. So I'll try to get some videos out there about that. No invasion during the Olympics. Yeah, I think that's a fair statement there. I think it's a very fair statement. So I'm getting SPY calls. I mean, good luck. I want SPY to break back into this range. We're at 449.37. If we ran back up to 450.80, that would be dirty. They're telling us Russia is going to invade Ukraine, but what are they not telling us? What are they covering? Exactly. That's the thing. It's like, are they? Like, who knows? Not going to class is exhausting. Yeah, it is. I'm not buying on margin. I've disabled the share lending. I'm covered there. What else is the benefit? Yeah, that's kind of it, man. I think you're probably fine. It's just you never know because you're giving the broker a little bit more control. Unable to buy tickets. Well, they're technically not out until the 10th. Amy to 20, go. SPY's looking like it wants to maybe bounce here, but if it can't hold this, it's going to come down and test the 200 EMA. Well, Amy right now is at 1622, looking all right. Is my name Jack? Yes, yes, yes. All righty, people. Hey, I like Grandpa Barney's request. I want to learn how to trade options, and I only have Fidelity account. I don't have a Fidelity account, but I can help. I can teach you the basics of options. I'm not going to make videos about like each specific broker on how to do it, but there are videos out there already about that if you do want to learn. Let's see. 1620 right now on Amy. GME 111.50 trying to come up here a little. Ooh, hold on GME. Are you going to start to pop here? Are you going to start to go? Come on. I know you want to. I know you want to start to get going, Jimmy. SPY candle. I wish the SPY would just knife down to 440. That would be a disaster. Alrighty. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the YouTube stuff. Thank you guys so much. My name is Jack too. There we go. Thanks, man. Sounds like I should be okay. Yeah, again, I can't tell you if it's going to be okay or not because I have no idea when everything goes crazy. So I never had a margin account. I just never saw the benefit in having one. So I would look into it a little bit more, read up on it, and maybe even call your broker. 1348 cross on the 30-minute. Amy isn't done yet. Yeah. Also on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour on AMC, it crossed. It is now down below that 200 EMA though. On the 30-minute, it still looks dirty. On the 5-minute, it looks gnarly. What about on the 4 hour? How's it doing? The 4-hour is the one I really care about. So hold on. It wants to start getting up on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, it came down and touched the, what do you call it? The 48 EMA. So everything's looking like the technicals. Okay, here's what we need to go over a little bit, just to kind of show you guys where we are with the AMC stuff. Here's kind of the deal. SPY coming down to test the 200, whatever. Here's what's going on. The fundamental short thesis doesn't really exist. It's not there, and it's definitely weaker. Even if it does exist somewhat, it's so much weaker than it was 6 months ago, 8 months ago, 12 months, 18 months ago. So much weaker. So they're not shorting on fundamentals right now. They're just not. It doesn't make a lot of sense for them to do this, especially with retail behind it, and especially with what the company is doing in terms of its fundamentals, refinancing the debt, buying more theaters, coming out with good earnings, etc. The second thing is so why is the securities lending volume so massively high on it right now? And why are these types of shorts attacking it? And who are these new shorts that are attacking it? Here's who it is. When you look at the 4-hour chart with AMC, it's all technicals. It's all technicals. Remember when we started to see the short interest increase? It's right around November when you see the 1348 cross right here. Or this is December. Where is it? This is the 4-hour right here. 1228. Interesting. Maybe there's another one. Oh, yeah. There's another one right here. So this one is November. So this is the first 1348 cross in November when we started to see it start to come down. So the shorts that are attacking AMC now are not fundamental shorts. They're technical shorts. Here's what that kind of tells us. If the technicals start to turn in AMC's favor, the reason why, and we've been thinking about this, it's like, why haven't the shorts covered now? Because it's been down significantly. They were probably shorting it at like 40 all the way down to 16. Why aren't they getting out? Well, the technicals haven't turned yet. They haven't switched to being bullish. They're really close, but they haven't switched yet. We need a couple of solid green days in a row to really get those things to bend in our direction. So when that does happen, okay, cool. What happens? You get some of the shorts getting out of their position, and we get that short interest maybe down to a decent level, and the price is at a much higher level. Could that spark FOMO, gamma, or some other stuff? It absolutely could. But here's the other important part about this. These shorts that have shorted AMC down from 40, 35, whatever it is, they're up on their position. Now, if the technicals start to turn to bullish and they're technical traders, what are they going to do? They know how this thing moves. So they cover their short. Cool. What's the next step? These shorts who aren't these like manipulative fundamental shorts that think AMC is going to zero and are just shorting it based on technicals, they're probably going to buy back in because they know that this thing can rip. They'll play it down. They'll play it right back up. It's entirely possible that the companies that were the technical firms that were investing on AMC based off technicals were buying AMC on the June run-up, and they're just playing it up and down and facilitating these bigger moves. So it's entirely possible that when we see these shorts start to get out and we see the technical start to turn bullish, they get out, they add the buying pressure by covering their short. Then they decide with all that extra money that they have from the proceeds of their short because they made a bunch of money, then they buy back in. And enter a long position. So that's the big double buy that we need to see. And when you see things like that, that's when we could see those giant green days where it starts to really come up, where we see them buy to close the shorts and then they buy back in to go long. So they're it's like that double amount. So that's what we could easily see coming up. And that makes the most logical sense. The fundamental short thesis is really not there anymore. The technical short thesis, it's kind of fizzling out. The other thing is that we're going to see, because there are going to be some of these like big fundamental shorts that are still in there that are like screw AMC, screw retail investors that are going to try to push this thing down. Well, if they're going to keep shorting it at these levels, which they probably are, why wouldn't they? They were shorting it at sub 10. They're going to jack the cost to borrow up on themselves. And then if that's going to make the technical traders be like, yeah, I don't really want to be in this anymore. I've already made it. I don't want to pay more money. So then they get out. So there's a lot of things that could start bending in our favor really quickly. Crenshaw, what's up, bud? How you doing? You hate shark fins? This isn't really a shark fin. What's SPY doing right here? And it's hanging right around the 200. Facebook selling off here. Let's see. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, bud. It got faked out 2 times last week on Apple, faked out on Qualcomm and Netflix. There's no hope for people like me. What's wrong with me? Hugh, I gotta see exactly when you're taking them, because today on Apple, that was a 100% play that I called out. Qualcomm was probably a dirty one today, and I've called out Netflix puts in the past that have printed. So I don't know. Hugh, thank you for the super, but we gotta figure that out for you, buddy. Let's see. No institutions are gonna buy companies with no PE in this type of market. Wrong. PE doesn't matter. In this type of market, that is a good. Okay, so PE, your little fundamental. I know, Chris, we like to have these back and forth all the times. I know you can handle it. PE and all of those typical fundamental metrics, I think, are completely irrelevant in today's marketplace, because not a lot of companies, or very, very, very few companies, are abiding by some of these like old technical ratios. Doesn't make a lot of sense. This market, though, that's a little bit more fair, where you can kind of mess around and be like, yeah, this market's a little bit weirder, but it doesn't even have to be that. It could just be these short-term technical shorts. We trigger the gamma. We don't need any more institutional money. And honestly, I don't really want it, because what they're doing is, it's not even like they're taking these shares out, like buying the shares, getting that buying pressure, and then sending them out on loan and jacking up the short interest. They're doing something even worse for the data, where they're saying, hey, you can't, we will loan out these shares, but the shares aren't going out on loan. So utilization was staying low and cost to borrow was staying low too. So then it's like, there's no pressure on them. So they could push the stock down. The cost to borrow was going down, and they're like, yeah, we don't care. Give us more shares. Here we go. Alrighty, people. Amy starting to make a move back up here. Let's see. SPY's bouncing off the 200 here. I like it. There is a 1348 cross right here. But again, look at this. So SPY is crossing right here on 1348, but it's bouncing off of the 200. Unless you see a candle open below the 200, I wouldn't take any SPY puts right now. Amy, 1613, about to make its way back up. Yep, SPY is trending. My average is 778 on AMC. There you go, buddy. Whew! It's Peloton earnings after close. Francisco, no. Peloton earnings were actually this morning. They moved it. So that's a bit of an interesting one over here. You got screwed this morning on AMD. Kind of glad I run a tight stop loss. Eventually it ran. Yeah, that's the issue with having a tight stop loss, is like, you'll do stuff like me where you'll paper hand stuff and then it'll just rip. Facebook's still selling off. GME up about 8.24%. AMC's up about 8.2% right here as well. So let's see. I want to see that new day high on Amy coming up. PE means nothing. The only thing that determines any stock's price doesn't matter. Have a dividend. Yeah, investor sentiment. Exactly. The price of something in the market today is going to be whatever people are willing to pay for it. That's really what it is. And that's kind of always how it's been. It's just a little bit different. Like, people would buy things, and they would pay attention to those types of value metrics. Now they don't. Because you wouldn't see people like Warren Buffett having to have $150 billion worth of cash and won't buy anything except his own stock, his own company. Let's see. When's Baba earnings? I don't know. I don't want to touch them because they don't abide by our accounting standards. So they could just lie. I mean, they're supposed to, but like, who knows? All right. SPY breaking down below the 200 EMA here. Watch out. AMC 1612. MNDT getting acquired by Microsoft. Just popping. Oh, suspended. Wow, that's a halt and a half right here. Jeez, man. All right, SPY selling off a little bit here. Dang, those puts that I had would have printed. Why is there such a big spread difference in the price of options for AMC? E-liquidity, and it depends on which strikes you're going for and which dates. SPY puts about to print. Yeah, I don't even want to look at what mine we're at. Where's Riot right now? Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps get some more people in here. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really cool. Thank you to each. I love all you guys. This is fun. What's the best view? This is Flores's wife. Are we still going to Miami? I think so. I mean, why wouldn't we go to Miami? What do you use to find the news on CFVI? It's just the news screener I showed you guys yesterday. Fast stock market news, or fast stock news, I think it's called. Amy 1610 right here, up about 8%. GME down below, it's 48 EMA, 8.43%. SPY just kind of flickering right here. Let's see what happens with it. That's what will happen if Prague gets acquired. Yes, this right here, boom, and it'll just go. But again, you're not playing with fire, but you're like hoping that it happens in the time that your contracts expire. I hope there's a reversal into power hour. Well, we got about 12 minutes until power hour. Things could get a little nasty. It could be fun. It could be fun. Oh, shucks. We love you too, STV. Thank you. I appreciate that. So this was halted at 39. So you've got about a minute. Wait, how is this halted at 39? This is a long haul. Why is oil so down today? Well, oil's been ripping. It's just kind of coming down a little here. So what's oil at right now? 89, 89.17. It was at 91, I think, in the pre-market. Something around, or it popped above 90, then came right back down. SPY crossed down. Yeah, you need a candle to close and open below the 200 for it to be puts. That's what I would look at for it. 1611 on Amy. It's holding up decently right now, but if SPY's going to tank, watch out. It's like that. It's like that WWE thing. It's like, watch out, watch out, watch out. Is IWM really 51% short? Yeah, it's like 50.3% shorted. Time to talk lift strangle. Hold on. What? Look at this gap. I had this right here on this move, and then it opened. Look what it gapped. It closed at 1644. This thing just gapped to 18. Oh, that is so dirty. That is so dirty on this thing. Up 20% on a Microsoft buyout, it looks like. SPY bouncing off the 200 right here. Amy 1612. This thing's pretty interesting. Okay. We can talk about the lift strangle. Okay. Lift. At 40. Okay. Oh, that's annoying. Damn it, Lyft. Don't be an a-hole. How does Lyft move on earnings? 46, 49. Nothing. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to touch it. I don't know. So, Amy 1612 spot. Oh, here comes SPY bouncing off the 200. Here it goes. You're dirty. You know what? One fast duster. I don't like that. My XOM call is not looking so good. Yeah, it happens. MNDT, I think, was the crazy one. Yeah, so this thing is wild. SPY's bouncing off the 200 here. Why Strangle versus Straddle? I like Strangle a lot better. You can just make more money with them in my mind. Because Strangle, you just need one side to go up 100% on earnings, which it sounds like a lot, but with earnings, it's not great. What do you think about puts on Peloton? You could. Let's see. SPY bouncing up here. Ooh, baby. Amy coming back to life. Come on. If SPY goes on a nice little power hour run, ooh, Amy could get spicy. AMD, everything's probably getting a bounce here with this SPY bounce. How big is this? 448.58 to 95. That's a 40-cent move. It's not great. Just got my Batman ticket. There you go. Calling 1675 close for Amy. I'm hoping higher. All righty. Did Peloton have earnings or not? Yes. I believe yes. It's weird. Since there's all this confusion, I'm not touching it. Like, they did some weird stuff. CFEI going to 17. Is it pumping? CFEI is getting up here. Hold your horses on this thing. This thing's getting going. SPY's trying to come back to life here. Amy 1614. Jimmy's starting to get a little bit spicy over here too. Okay, let's see what we got. Bing bong, price is wrong. Says IMAX ticket, get a free comic book also. I mean, I don't really care about IMAX. Sorry. AMC has nothing to do with the SPY. Wrong. AMC is going to follow the SPY most of the time. In the SPY in IWM. So it's the same difference over here. SPY fake out. Ooh, squirrels coming in. All right. So CFEI just hit a high of 17. It does look like it wants to get a little bit more spicy over here. How about a shout out to all the truck drivers like myself? AMC steering wheel holding 8. There you go, buddy. Boom boom on DWAC. I'm not touching it. Amy 1612. SPY trying to pop up here. Until it has a candle close below the 200 EMA, I would say it would just hover around the 200. So 1611. CFEI is really getting spicy. GME's hanging right around its 48 EMA over here. 2.75 million. What? Yeah, CFEI is right here, pumping. If SCV syncs frozen above 18. There we go. So SPY just retesting the break of the pre-market high. Ooh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Right here. Amy, take my cucumbers. All right. I don't know what the cucumber stuff is all about, but it's interesting. 17 max pain. Yeah. But AMC is not in the SPY, just in IWM. Well, you're right, but what does SPY and IWM do? They move together. So it does. That's so SPY is going to be bigger. So SPY is going to have more of an influence on the overall market, hence IWM. So that would move. It would mess with AMC. APPS earnings. I don't know what APPS is. Digital Turbine. I've never touched this thing before. It could move big. It could not move at all. I typically like to stick to earnings that I know with larger companies. CFVI nasty upswing. Yeah, CFVI went boom. CFVI really went boom. So let's see here. Candle incoming. Oh, I'm hoping. So let's see if SPY can break the top of this candle right here. So Squirrel, or I mean, I know who you are. It's just easier to say the other one. 1612 on Amy. Come on. We need a nice little break over here. CFEI. Yeah, it's running a little bit. Is Lyft a $700 strangle? It could be. It's just expensive. That's why I'm not doing it. Oh, I could go for next week. Hold on. That's actually smart. Hold on. What are the next weeks? So what's it at right now? What about 30 and 50 or 29 and 51 on this for next week? That's actually not bad. That's not terrible. If Lyft rips or tanks, you get time. Okay. I know what I'm going to do on Lyft. I will play Lyft. I'm just going to get myself a little bit more time on it. Let's see. MGM. What's going on with that? Oh, hold on, Squirrel. Hold on. If this candle goes green, watch out. Amy 1614. We're looking all right over here. Puts on CFEI. I smell a rug pull. They're not getting Rogan. I don't personally think that Rumble's gonna get Rogan. Which is kind of what all this hype is about here. I haven't seen any new news on it. But okay, I know what I'm gonna do on Lyft. It's just gonna be it's gonna be like the Facebook one that I did. It's just gonna be wider, and then it's gonna have more time on it. So if this SPY candle, yeah, here it comes. This could be fun. Come on, Amy, get a boom, boom, boom here. Do I check the UKIT? I don't know. Let's see. The avocado. Please go up, AMC. That's how I feel. What's the play on Lyft? It's just a wider strangle with more time. Just got my Batman ticket. I don't think I'm going. I just want the NFT. You need to go in order to get the NFT, Trey's Bottle of Kraken. You have to scan your ticket, I believe, in order to get access to the NFT. All right, let's see what happens if SPY gets back to this 13 and 48 EMA right here. If we get another little cross right back to the upside, or if it just rejects and then comes down. SPY's up about 0.4%. AMC just chilling at 1613. Lyft flickering around. GME, it's doing all right. Put or call, guys. I don't play earnings one way ever. Always both ways on earnings. Worried about the head and shoulders on AMC? Yeah, I mean, I typically don't like the chart patterns usually do play out, but I don't trust it. I just don't trust it all the time. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Let's see what happens with Amy. They want you buying popcorn and drinks. Exactly. All righty. Damn. You guys are crushing it today. This is a lot. We got a lot of people in here. Thank you, guys. Poke AMC with a stick. Let's see. AMC or text? Yeah, I got you. Let me refresh it really quickly. All right. So we got a net return of 2.89 million shares, 21.27% estimated short interest on it, 1.81% average cost to borrow today. Yeah, IWM utilization is like 98%, I believe. Short straddles are Russ and roulette or what? I don't do any of that. Short straddle will just be, ooh, hold on. Avocado might be right over here. It's selling off on the SPY. Let's see. Amy getting a little candle, still above 16 though, up about 7%. GME up about 8.71. DraftKings running again. Ooh, interesting. All right. SPY coming back down to test the 200. AMC 1605. I like this guy. I'm a new sub. Fred, I appreciate that, buddy. Welcome. And shout out all the new members today. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but you guys are awesome. Thank you guys. I love all you members. You guys are great. The remains of the TD, which one's led by, oh, okay, that's weird. Why is AMC tanking? The SPY. You're like, it doesn't follow the SPY. It's the SPY. I said, as soon as I mentioned DraftKings, it dropped off a cliff. Yeah. Avocado says that every day. Avocado makes money on SPY every day. Let's see. I like this guy. I'm an old sub. Justin, appreciate that, buddy. All right, Lyft doing its thing over here. Probably going to trade flat until close. SPY bouncing up off the 200 here. Why strangle, not a straddle? Strangles are better for earnings. Let's see. BBIG is tanking. Yeah, it is. Everything's starting to come down here. 1606. I mean, I don't want to. Here's the thing: you can't get upset when Amy sells off and the market just goes from freaking 450, 127 to 448. Like, and Amy makes a 70-cent move. It's like that's gonna happen. Like, you can't have the market just like rip up and then seriously come down, and because then you'd also have to just be like, oh, then the market's pushing AMC up here and it's not AMC moving. It's like, yeah, it's going to follow the market. That's why I've been saying, like, we need the market to give us a little tiny bit of runway and then we can just rip. We've seen this a couple of times. Like, there was one day when the market was up like 1.5% and GME was up like 18% and AMC was up like 12%. We just need, Amy just dropped below 16. SPY selling off here a little bit again at the 200. We just need the market to give us a little bit of runway in order for us to run. You got Uber Strangle hoping to get a move from Lyft and second chance on Uber itself. That's honestly not a terrible idea. That's a smart way to do it. But you never know what's going to happen. Let's see. All right. So SPY's now coming down below the 200. Is this a new candle? I think it is a new candle right here. So it's got 5 minutes until we can see that break below here. All right. Power hour. Here we go, everybody. Let's see if we get a power or a sour hour. I couldn't figure out how to add royalties. Are you making an NFT? I'm not making an NFT. Let's see. All right, guys. Don't disrespect your wives in the chat. That's not very nice. You're mad about a $20 move over the last 2 months? But there's an easy explanation as to why. You know that this stock is very manipulated. And we also know that that type of manipulative price action and the short selling and the overflooding of supply is what gives this play so much potential. Have you heard when Gary Gensler speaking? Not yet. I haven't seen when he's going to be speaking yet. Jangle NFT? What? Hit the like y'all, says Shan. Thank you, Shan. Appreciate that. Cankle NFT? No, guys, I'm not selling you NFTs. I don't even know what I would give you in return. Like, it would just, like, because everybody would be like, you just make them. It's like, all right, I'm not dealing with that. Like straddle, dislike strangle. Okay. SPY coming down a little bit here. Amy at 16 flat. Alrighty. Power hour. Come on. Yahtzee. Yeah. Google it. What should I Google? I don't want to Google it. I really don't want to. No, thank you. Or text on NFT. I don't know. Gary's on every Saturday morning. Interesting. Die by SPY. Need my SPY puts to print. Dude, my SPY puts would have printed. I hate this. I'm like such a paper hand. It's at 448.70. Turn after hours on. That's probably what it is. So if AMC is manipulated and AHA hasn't done anything, what's he going to do? GE now is dark pool but hasn't suspended. They'll never suspend the dark pool. They'll never. Here's the thing. The reason why the dark pool, it's not the dark pool itself that's wrong. It's what people are doing in it. If you suspend dark pool, they're going to do it somewhere else. They have their own off-exchange venues. Like, you have like a list of dark pools, but Citadel Connect isn't a list on their dark pool. Oh, is it? I think Citadel Connect is not on the actual list of dark pools. I think it's their own off-exchange venue. It's an OTC market. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that Citadel Connect is not a dark pool. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's not a dark pool. If that's the case, they'll just do it in things like that. And they'll front run your order, latency arbitrage. They'll traverse the spread. They'll limit price discovery through things like that. How are my AirPods connected? That's weird. So that's the things that they will do. It's not the dark pool. It's what they're doing in it. It's like those off exchange venues. It's like the dark pools have their place. If you were to see a pension fund come out and just be like, we need to sell $1 billion worth of Apple today because we want to put it into something else. If those sell orders just get hit on the level two, everybody else is going to sell too because they're going to be like, holy shit, what is going on right here? So it's not like the dark pool itself. It's what these institutions are doing in these off exchange venues. The whole purpose of it is good, but if you turn it off, you will get screwed. That's the thing. That's what I want everybody to understand. If the dark pool turns off, you might see a little bit more price discovery, but you won't be able to really buy anything. Like, how are these market makers going to fill these orders? And then you're also going to get screwed over. It's like wholesalers. Yes, it's the wholesalers. Yes, it's them. It's not like the dark pools. It's the wholesalers that are messing around with it. SPY bouncing off the 200 again. AMC at 1604. SPY 347 end of the year. All right, well, that's a little bit bearish. And here's the other thing, guys. You can, like, when we complain about dark pools, it's cool. Like, there are issues with the way that is set up. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, there are completely a lot of issues within dark pools and like these off exchange places. But the thing is that you have the power to fix it. You have the power to fix it. If you don't want the dark pool percentage on a stock that we like to be so high, what can you do? I will ask this question to you guys. What can you do? If you don't want the dark pool percentage or the off exchange venue percentage to be that high on a stock, what do you do? Let's see. What's the answer? Let's see. Bing Bong, thank you so much for the super. Can you check CRSR or text? Yes, I can. Thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that, buddy. Route it. Yes. Buy to a lit exchange. Exactly. You have control of where your orders go. Corsair Gaming or text. Does Corsair report today? Let me look. So they have 25.3% estimated short interest, 81% utilization. Decent cost to borrow. Are they today? Yeah, Corsair's today after close. So let's see. CRSR. Buy lit. Exactly. Direct your orders to the lit exchange. If you don't want the dark pool percentage to be that high, just direct your orders to a lit exchange. It's that simple. Let's see what Corsair. What's it at? 20. Oh, I like this. What does it do on earnings? High short percentage. This could actually get nutty. What did it do on this earnings? Nothing. Gap down from 29 to 26. That's not bad. Okay, maybe we'll play a little Corsair too and see what happens. If we hit 2 duds, that would hurt, but we'll see. So yeah, it's very easy. Got the 1348 across on Netflix, but it ain't dropping. Thoughts? SPY, Tyler. This is why I look at the market anytime I'm trading 1348. So you got this Netflix one. I'm guessing it's puts. So Netflix right here, it kind of crossed. It didn't really though. Like this wasn't like a good cross where the 13 really starts to trend down. Okay. And then the other thing is look at the SPY. Well, the SPY is right around its 200 EMA right here, just bouncing up and down. So SPY is going to have an effect on Netflix. Now Netflix is popping up. And you've seen this today a couple of times. Like it'll come out, fake out. It'll come out, head fake, head fake, head fake. You saw it a lot today. So if the SPY starts to really sell off here, about below the 200 EMA, yeah, you could get some Netflix puts. But if it's not going to, and it's just going to bounce over here, the Netflix trade's probably not going to work out all that well. Course, I don't know. Maybe I'll play are these the monthlies? Yeah. All right. So I would go for these. And okay, let's see what they are by close. We've got about 53 minutes left. That could be a decent one because they have some time on them. So we'll see what happens with this one. Hey, SV, you can sell a call to lock in your gains on a call, correct? Yeah, technically, yes, you can. I wouldn't do it if you don't know what you're doing, though. It's a good day. It is a good day. What do we? Oh, don't you hide that candle from me, Amy. No, I'll see it. I will call it out. 1610 over here. You're not playing Chipotle? Nah, too expensive. Chipotle can move, though. Okay, thank you for your odds. Big love. Tyler, anytime. Yeah, so the whole thing is like, yes, 1348 is probably the most. I don't even know if there's another one. It's the most. I've had one red day with 1348 in like the last 3 weeks I've used it. My options account's up over 100% from using it. So it's probably the most powerful strategy out there right now, but it depends on how you use it. Like you can't just like willy-nilly buy every 1348 cross and hope for the best. Like if you see things crossing down in the overall market, like big things like Apple, Netflix, Nvidia right now, and you see the SPY doing this, I wouldn't take that trade until the SPY starts to get selly to the downside. Let's see. Amy 1618 right here. SPY bouncing off here. Let's see. Trophy Hunter Tyler. Mike Booth. Short the VIX is a joke. You know it wasn't a joke when I took your girl from you the other day and then I gave her back too late. Sorry, you got anything else to say? I kind of want to hear what he has to say. Donnie, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. I think I've heard this somewhere before. Route orders to the lit exchange, LMIO, not like it hasn't been discussed in spaces and on YouTube. Exactly, Donnie. You're spot on. Donnie, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Let's see. I don't think I've banned him yet. Nah, Mike Booth. All right, Mike, you want to say something else? You can say something else, bud. No, the mods, don't ban him. Don't ban him. But I do want Mike to say something else. Let's see. Be nice to your Eskimo brother. Oh, Amy getting a pop here. Nice little 14-cent pop off 1610. Oh, SPY with a little pop. Come on. New day high on AMC. Let's see. Why won't he address Gabe's comments? Oh, because they're wrong and it's just made to cause division. You're in here trying to cause division and it's absolutely BS. I don't know what you're trying to do over here. Like, I don't get it. Like, you think that, like, like, okay, you don't like him. Cool. Nobody cares. Like, that's the thing. Like, people, I hate to say this, and I will say this about myself too. People like to think that their opinion matters more than it does. It doesn't. My opinion is no more important than anybody else's, and everybody's opinion is pretty much useless. Like, according to like what other people think. Like, I hate to say that, but like, oh, SPY's coming up here. Come on, Amy, go. It's like your opinion is not going to influence other people. Like, some people might listen to me, but at the end of the day, like, if I say the stock is going to 20 by the end of the week, my opinion's irrelevant. Let's see. Had actual tweets. Cool, bro. Like, dude, I've seen all the tweets. What do you want me to do? What? Like, you don't like them. Cool. At the end of the day, Mike, if you're going to be in here trying to cause division, I will ban you. Like, this is nothing here. This is stupid. SPY fake out? Nah. This fake out to the downside. Here comes Amy. Here's the thing, Mike. You are more focused on little drama, little high school immature stuff when we have Amy starting to rip up here. Like on an 8.5% day, SPY starting to come up and we could really start to go. Your priorities are not in the right place. Keith, thank you so much for the super. 1348 is incredible. I am up overall 30% in my options account. When I make a play that doesn't work, I follow the rules. I only go slightly red. When I go off the rules, I bleed money. Follow them. Exactly. Why won't you address it? I've addressed it. It's nonsense. You're literally just trying to cause division right now. It's stupid. Here's the thing. Do you know how much money Gabe has generated from four other people based with 1348 in the Discord? Do you have any idea how much it is? Have you ever checked out the gains portion? You can have your opinion about him, but I'm deflecting. He didn't mock the entire community. How? Like, come on. This is so dumb. Mike, I'm going to time you out too. Like, this is just stupid. You're trying to do something here that's just not going to, like, you can't influence other people's opinions. SPY's coming back up here. Amy getting a little pop. Don't entertain it. It's fine. Mike, you can stay in here. Drop a dislike on the video if you want. And I probably won't read a lot of your stuff anymore because it's just little childish BS. All right, people. But for those of you who do enjoy the stream, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. I use 1348. Exactly. That's it. You're banned. Nah, I don't like banning people because then I'm going to get a bunch of people that are just like, you banned me. And I'm like, I just don't want to have to deal with it. Like, I'll just make fun of you, go back and forth, and then that's it. Time me out? Yucca, why would I do that? Do I need a hug? One fast duster. Probably not from you. Let's see. What's your oh shit? It's getting juicy possible breakout number. It's like 40 something. Tell him to unblock you on Twitter. All right, I'll work on that. Facebook puts printing. There you go. Dude, SPY with an absolute candle over here. Amy, it's time to shine. Amy, it's your time to shine. So Corsair's coming up a little bit here. Come on. Here we go. Yeah, Deke Slade. I got it. I got it, buddy. Let's see. Vix only bans supers. Dude, it wasn't me. I didn't ban the super. I think it was Ryan. It wasn't, or it was Ryan or Alex. Somebody came in one time and just fat fingered a, like, just put their phone in their pocket and accidentally just banned a super. And I can't unhide it because it was like, you can't, for some reason, you can't do it on supers. So there was just like a super that came in and it just got deleted. And I was like, oh, shoot, sorry. It wasn't my fault. Let's see. Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, hopefully. Amy, we need you to get going here a little bit. Come on. Proof is in the pudding. Dude, I like pudding. I've been eating a lot of dude, SPY's going on a moon mission right now. This thing's the new meme stock. Amy, it's time to shine. We got 46 minutes left. Corsair's coming up. GME's coming up. Amy, it's your turn. Go. Apple flying. There we go. Keith, thanks for the super. He banned me. It was you. I remember it was Keith. That was pretty funny. Let's see. You are the only YouTuber I'm subscribed to. Deke Slate. I appreciate that, buddy. Where's Avocado? He's here. He's just under an alias. Oh my SPY. Where is this? Is it hitting the level yet? No, it's really close to going back into the box. The box just isn't extended, but it's right here. So it's pushing into the box. Amy, nope. None of this nonsense. You're going to come up with the SPY. Apparently not, though, because Amy's just saying, I'm tired. No. We need to motivate Amy to come back to the upside. Facebook ripping shorts. Is it? Yeah. It's popping a little here. Sens is gapping up. We were looking at it earlier. It's coming. Sens is coming. Little 1348 cross here. Getting to the day high. SPY's just going on a freaking moon mission here. Amy, I need you back to day high. That's what I want. SV, can you sing to Amy? I don't know. Okay, is Jimmy? Yes. Come on, Amy. Come on. Russell squeeze, is it going? Dude, Russell, the last time we saw Russell squeeze, you know what happened? AMC went from 20 to 32. Russell coming up. So that's IWM. SPY is just moon missioning over here. I don't know if I want to sing it. AMC is whack, says Rudy. Why? Why? Like, come on. What are you doing here? If you don't like it, you can go. Absolutely destroyed the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, Donnie. I appreciate that. Oh, we have 2 Donnies in here. Wow, that's the first time I've ever seen that. All right, AMC 16, 17, 16, 18 right now. Sens is coming up here. Might do a little bit of a red-green push here. My daughter heard you sing Let It Go way back when and wanted more. She's 2. Dude, your daughter has terrible taste in music. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was right there. I had to. I'm not a good singer. What is the lift ticker? Lift? LYFT. How much time do we have for it? So it's, I don't know. I'm between Lyft and Corsair. I don't really know. Amy gonna boom? I'm hoping. Micron is flying. I mean, everything's starting to fly. SPY, little 1348 cross here. Let's see. Did Joe accept the offer? Who's Joe? She may be tone deaf. I don't know, but that was bad. She also loves heavy metal. Oh, that's pretty wild. Let's see. Oh, Donnie, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. That's because we are special. Gotcha. Corsair is due for a rip. CFVI, is it going? It's bouncing off the 13. SPY, Lyft and Corsair, why not both? I could. Spy's coming up again here. Come on, Amy. 16-16, doing all right still. He's talking about Joe Rogan. No, I don't think he accepted the offer. Matt's Duck Suspenders. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, bud. Oh, my DWAC has been my golden goose, has helped me buy lots of AMC. Greatest winter ever. XXXXX AMC shares. Ladies, let's run. Matt's Duck Suspenders. There we go, buddy. DWAC, if you caught the initial run, you're crushing it, but that was the dirty one. Thank you so much for that super, though. I appreciate that, buddy. He's talking about Joe Rogan. Nah, he didn't accept the offer. If he did, CFEI would be at like 30. Let's see here. Damn, you guys are crushing it today. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the stream. Appreciate that, guys. All righty. February 8th, 2022 is Donnie Day. Oh, there's multiple Donnies in here. There's like 3 Donnies. I've never seen 3 Donnies before. I've only seen 1 Donnie. Firm crossed and ripping. Damn. We hit that dirty 500% play on a firm one Friday. But a firm has earnings Thursday after hours, so watch out for that. Let's see if Amy gets a little bit of action coming up into close. If GME gets some, AMC is going to get some. If AMC gets some, GME is probably going to get a little bit of that too. Rogan just signed his AMC King. I don't know about that. I'm Donnie. Not everybody can't be Donnie. There was the one original Donnie, and then there's all the other Donnies. The one original Donnie likes to make fun of me for paper handing shit, which is, I mean, it's fair. You can. It's perfectly okay. AMC 1621 right here. Spy coming up. Amy looking like she wants to get a little jumpy. Smash that. Likes says, kiss a me ass. Did you just get me with that? I don't know. That was interesting. All right. Spy still on its way up here. We got Amy 1621, a firm coming up a little here. GME up 9.82% right now. Jeez. Paper hand the VIX. You know what, Ryan? I don't want to hear it. I'm Donnie. No, we cannot all be Donnie, people. Spy moving up here a little tiny bit. Affirm. This is more attention than I've received in my entire life. There's like 2,700 people giving you attention. It's pretty cool. Lol, you're right on that paper hand, Spy boy. Shut up, Donnie. Dude, I did it yesterday and I was fine. It wasn't a big one though. That's what I'm pissed about for the Spy yesterday. I really held those until like the last minute. And then it didn't even hit like big. It was like 30%. I was like, this is stupid. All right, people. Ryan Coleman's agreement ends tomorrow. Oh, for what? You have a special hack to find who's selling and who's holding? Interesting. Paper hand Apple. Okay. Shannon, I don't want to hear it. Okay, you're right. At least you hit the 100% on the call out. See? Tag order? It might be. You can only paper hand the way you do because you don't have to pay commissions on options. Facts. All right, AMC's at 1614. Spy selling off a little bit here. We got Affirm doing its thing. Where's Lyft? Is Lyft getting a little pop into FYT? That's not it. Little pop into the end for Lyft right now. BKKT is ripping. You guys said that before, and it was getting hammered, I think. Oh, wow. BKKT getting a little candle over here. So you guys said BKKT was ripping right here, and then this candle opened, and it got slaughtered. So I don't trust it sometimes. AXP, new all-time high. Ooh, interesting. American Express. Point I Lucid. Fuck off. There was every single day. I swear, every single day you're going to see me paper hand one, and then the one that I hold is like, eh. Let's see. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Shout out to all the people in your Discord for the support and love. Great group. Much appreciation. Sorry for the bummer. Chat. No, you're good. Tomorrow's another day. Exactly. You just gotta find your stocks and find your groove with trading. It's like you're gonna have good days and you're gonna have bad days. Like you can't let the little losses like deter you from like continuing to put yourself in the right positions for success, Hugh. Paper hand Donnie. Donnie's definitely not a paper hand. Cup and handle on the 1 minute Spy. Not yet. It could though off the 13 here. Amy 1616 BKKT doing all right over here. Where's Corsair? That's it's not really nothing's really moving. Yeah, we took a look at the securities lending volume for AMC a little bit earlier. I'll probably make a video on that tonight because that's freaking crazy, like ridiculous. Mini Ape, I feel like you're joking because you've definitely been here when I've done it, but yes, I will give an AMC Ortex update. I feel like you're capping. I feel like that's what it is. So 82.08% utilization, 2.9 million shares returned, 21.27% estimated short interest with an average cost to borrow of 1.81%. We need that higher. SPY coming down. I definitely have paper in my hand in the morning. Oh, nice, Donnie. Vix, when you sell your options, do you close or sell? It's the same difference. Same difference. Same difference. All righty. Can we buy our used socks? That's weird. All right. 16-14 on Amy. SPY just kind of doing his Corsair coming up in the close here. That could be a good one. SPY cross? No. SPY cross back here. Heads or tails? Heads SPY knifes into close. Tails she moves. Dude, it's always a coin flip with SPY going into close here. Let's see. Or text. I work on my computer and on the phone all day. Ah, gotcha, buddy. I appreciate that. All day, you in the background. I appreciate you. Now, if you could tell TMI to pay me for my win in the holiday giveaway, I'd love you. Interesting. Counselor, thank you so much for that. Super, buddy. I appreciate that. Changing my name to Counselor Donnie. There you go. Fix paper handing options like you paper hit. Okay. Let's see. Counselor, thanks for that super, bud. I appreciate that. All right. Corsair's coming up into close. SPY's knifing. Amy's at 16-10. Are you going to drive my Lambo to Florida out of the squeeze? No Lambos for me. I don't like Lambos. Not a Lambo guy. Prague ripping. Progenity. 14% on the day. What are the options up? 100%. That's not bad. Amy coming down to the 48 right here. SPY. Amy 16. Right about 1601. What's the 1596, I think, is where the 48 is. Question. When you say 82% utilization, does that mean 82% are shorting and 18% came to their senses? No. 82% utilization means, let's just say there's 100 shares that institutions are willing to loan out in total. 82 of those shares were loaned out. I'll take a Maserati. Don't do that. You're going to be in the shop all the time. Ferrari, I forgot. See? There you go. Audis make Lambo? Yeah. Not a fan. Lambos rock. See, here's the deal with Lambos. Okay, we've been over it before. I'm not gonna hate on Lambos today. I'm playing nice. 1605 on AMC. SPY coming down, just being a little a-hole. We got 34 minutes left here, everybody. New Corvette. Those are sweet. Rands, those are sweet, man. Tesla Roadster, Aston Martin. There are a couple of Astons that are cool. Sometimes I can't. If you know this about Astons, the windshield comes too low on some of them. So like your head is like here. Can't see anything. You'll deplete your money on maintenance for a Lambo. That's true. All right. Amy bounced off the 48. 1608 right now. SPY trying to pull back up here. We got 33 minutes. Let's see what happens until it close. Everybody screw a Lambo, buy a Honda. Ferrari all day. Exactly. Koenigsegg, not street legal. Some of them. Ford Maverick. I don't know what that is. Can we get to $20 first? Trey Spider, down. I'm down, bud. I'm very down. All righty. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It just helps out a whole lot. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot too. So if you guys can, it would really be nice. What do you think about Mara? If Bitcoin keeps ripping, you could see Mara go up. Kenny burned all the evidence and dipped. I don't know about that. When Donnie's here somewhere. He's lurking. I know Donnie's lurking around here. Some Twitter people are predicting it. Brother 8 people have been predicting stuff forever. R8s are kind of cool. The Lexus LFA, those are cool. Spa. All right. Amy 1607. Prague flickering around here. Okay. All righty. Donnie Wahlberg. Made some money on Ford today. Riptide. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right. Amy bouncing. We got Spy coming down. Jimmy 290, AMC 105. Hey, I'd love to see it, Corey. I'd love to see it. I'm Donnie. No, I'm Batman. Condo College Corvette with endless chicks. Ritz, run it, dude. I guess have some fun while you're at it, right? Citroen, those are sweet. I'm buying a boat and a motorhome so I can take the kids on an across the nation trip. Then I can wear my flippy floppies on my boat. Donnie, that sounds awesome. That sounds like a great fun time. Bitcoin cross from a YouTuber. When day trader freedom money, you're gonna have to have a big account. Big account for that type of stuff. At least TD Ameritrade burned my info so I don't have to worry about my password getting hacked. Yeah, it'd be cool if they burned it and they were just like, no taxes. Sorry, we forgot all the tax documents. Highly doubt that's what's going to happen. But when squeeze, I'm taking Chan to an AMC. Dude, that would be awesome. And Vix is like 7 foot tall. No, I'm only 6'2". I'm not tall. I'm like sort of tall. I'm like average tall. Let's see. You vaporized the like button. Okay. Okay. Solid day for AMC. I just hope we don't give it all back tomorrow. Been doing this for months. That's true. AMC head and shoulders on the day. Like today, I mean, a little bit right here. So a little, just like little shark fin. Spy trying to bounce up a little bit here. 1610 on Amy. Sometimes you guys say things and I don't want to read it, but it's really funny. All right, people. Nikola tank, good. I don't like them. When squeeze, I'm getting a full size 3D print of STV. Please don't do that. That's kind of weird. 1609 on Amy. Spy just it's flagging a little here. Let's see if it wants to get up. 5'11" is average tall. Oh, okay. So then what am I? I feel like I'm average tall. See, 6'4". That's tall. Dude's not even that tall. Unsubbed. You guys are funny. If TLT goes down, does Spy go up? It's supposed to, but it just sometimes hasn't been. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. When strangle. What time is it? I don't know. I don't know. Earnings have been weird. You're 6'6", big boy. You telling me you wouldn't like to be posted on someone's wall next to TB12? It'd be kind of cool. I'm not like at that level though. Boom. Just got my 2 tickets for Batman. Bring on the NFT. There you go. Well, make sure you're buying the tickets in a way that you can get the NFT. Some people are getting early access. Well, I think it's Stubbs Premium. I think that's what it is. Prague selling off here. Spy trying to get a little bit of a pop. Amy at 1611. GME 112.31. Over 6'6" with trophy under Tyler. Tyler gets out piggyback rides. There you go. What's Max Payne? 17. 17 is Max Payne for this week. Maximum Pain. All righty, people. Shibcross. Sucks I can't buy movie tickets to the NFT in Canada. Yeah, no AMC's in Canada. Isn't there like one? Thought there was like one. All right, Spy moving up here. Let's see if Amy's going to get a little bit of a pop on this. 16, 14, 15. Come on. Come on. GME trying. 9% up or almost 10% up in the green. Predicting a Spy jump in the next 5 minutes. Hey, if you're right, I would love your crystal ball. He's nuts. Shut up, Keith. Some people can buy tickets already. I think so. If you're a Spy pop in here. Well, okay. That's not really fair that you predict a Spy pop when the Spy is popping. That's not very fair. That seems like a chasing prediction. Let's see. What did you say, Trophy Hunter Tyler? What did you say, bro? Can you do the Christian Bale Batman voice? I'm Batman. That wasn't very good. Google? I mean, Google already reported. Spy's coming up here. Hold on. Where's Lyft and Corsair? Because those are the only ones for today. I kind of want to just play Disney this week. Like, I kind of want to just play Disney. My phone is freaking out with news right now. Early market on close, 99 million imbalance to the sell side. Nikola loses his whole supply chain leadership, puts in a hiring freeze. His situation looks dire. Good. Screw Nikola. I don't like them. I hate Nikola. I hate Nikola just as much as I hate Robinhood. Wrench would be a good Batman. He would. I could do the Wrench impression right now, but I don't know. All right. 16, 17. Spy's coming up here. Yeah. See, that was kind of a weird prediction. You're calling Spy to pop when it's popping. Here goes Spy. All right, NBC. Let's see if you're right. I'm down for you to be right, dude. I'm very down for you to be right on this. Let's see. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Oh, dude. All right, NBC. Whatever you're cooking up over there, I want some of it. That was pretty good. Ban yourself with all that negative stuff. What happened? I forgot I had a Peloton call. It's up 266%. Trophy Hunter Tyler. There you go. Spy's popping up here. Amy, it's time to go. 26 minutes left in the day today, people. Come on. Let's go. Bank of America about to cross again. Dude, come on. We need some boom boom candles over here. AMC is about to pop. That's the real prediction. Hey, I'm a fan of that prediction, man. You did nail that Spy prediction. I mean, it was flagging. It probably just came right down to like this little mark and then just went bloop right up. Facebook cross 4-hour MACD, up or down? I can't wait for Wrench to start a vid with what's going on, guys. Welcome back to Wrench Cat. You would not, I don't think you would ever do that. It would be hilarious though. We got to try to get Wrench on here one day. That would be fun. 17 plus at close. Hey man, I'd love to see it. We're at 16.14 right now. We need like another 86 cents. I think that's how math works, right? Spy dump. Uh-oh. I mean, it popped and then came right back down. Here we go, Amy. Come on. 16, 17. Let's see. What happened, DJ Ola? You making crazy jokes over here? What are you doing? I don't see it. I don't know where it is. I lost it. I haven't seen it. So you're good. Lift coming up a little here. See, the thing is that if I don't play Lift and then it really does something crazy, I don't know. So you're gonna paper hand his Spy calls tomorrow? I don't have any spy calls now. Tomorrow I might. Tomorrow, if we play Spy, I'll probably paper hand them. Just point it out there. Technically, if you don't top ticket, you're always paper handing. Let's see. Max Payne for this week is 17 on AMC right now for this week. You did a small lift strangle. God, I kind of want to do it. I'll do it cheap, like really cheap. I want to take a look at it again. Holy Bitcoin. Uh-oh. Is it ripping? There was Riot, like 18 something. Ah, shit. There goes Riot again. New day high. Dang. All right. Lift. All right. What do we like next week? What was it? What was I looking at? These. Okay. Okay. I like that. And then what else? These. Okay. I like what I can get on Lift here. It's craziness, but you never know what's going to happen. So Lift is running up into close. We got about, all right, I will make a Lift play. It's going to be really, really small though. And it's not going to turn out like Facebook because it's impossible for it to, unless they go bankrupt or go to the moon. So fix my Spy box. If I try to do it now, I'll completely mess it up. So Amy right now, 16-16 trying to pop up. Lift is trying to pop up too. I want to get a nice range on it, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. SOS, one of the biggest scams. Yeah, I think I might have talked about them once, but I was like, I don't really get what's going on here with this. Did you Portnoy Riot? Yeah, I Portnoy Riot today. Who is Gary Gensler? You bought one lift just for fun. Don't you do that. Don't make sure you play both ways. Spy down, Amy down, lift up. All right, so lift is running up into close. Uber could be good. So here's the other thing you can do. You can play Uber off of Lyft, but you would have to almost strangle it or pick a direction and hope Uber runs tomorrow. That's kind of what you got to look for. So I'll play lift just for fun. I'll go really, really small. The next SPY jump in 3 minutes, NBC, dude, I don't know what you're doing here and where you are with these algos. But if you imagine how funny this would be. Imagine if NBC had like his finger on like this buy button for all these like block trades, and he's just like a market maker, and he's just like, all right, I'm gonna press the button in 3 minutes, and he just looks like a genius in the chat, and he's just like, all right, SPY pop, hit the button, but then he just goes like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counts it off, and just hits it. That would be the most hilarious thing I've ever seen. All right, XYZ, you're putting that song in my head a lot. On second, Donnie, thank you for the super, buddy. On second thought, when AMC moons, I'm going to buy a Lambo and a towboat with it just to piss people off. Donnie, you could, buddy. You could easily do that. Donnie, thanks for all the generous supers today, buddy. I really appreciate that. How are y'all timing it? I don't know, bro. I'm not timing it. The NBC is. He's just like, in 3 minutes, it's going to go. And I'm like, all right. Okay, cool. Nicola puts at 40% already. Is Nicola tanking right off this? Nicola. Oh, look at that tank. Lift calls way out of the money. Everything's going to be way out of the money on what I'm doing on these earnings. You don't like the Billy Joel? No, I do. It's just stuck in my head. That's my favorite. Actually, my favorite Billy Joel song is probably Downeaster Alexa. That's a good one. They just hammer the bass on that one. That's a good one. Straight day trader holding nothing overnight after this deal is done. That's what I do now. I don't hold anything overnight except for like lift or like these earnings. 1 minute left on NBC. Yeah. So let's see. Facebook calls are almost saved. Those were getting scary. Ooh, and here you go. No way. Here he is. He pressed the button. He pressed the buy button. This NBC market maker guy is just hitting the button over here. I love it. This is hilarious. All right, let's see if it breaks this previous high in the box here. Nicholas coming back up. Amy's at 1620. Dude, this dude is crazy. Moving out's good. That's a good one. This is fun. This is fun. Who's Billy Joel? Bro, NBC, let us know when. Okay, let us know when you're gonna put in a big buy order, and then I'll buy some calls. All right, everybody. SPY's moving up here. Amy coming up a little tiny bit. Nicola is just like crap. I might play Lift and Corsair. Hold on, CRSR. I don't know. Corsair's running up. They don't move a whole lot on earnings. It's gaming. Oh wait, hold on. Streaming, peripherals, components, 2 segments, gamer and creative peripheral. Wait. Headsets, controllers. Oh, hold on. All right, Corsair, I might want to play with like metaverse stuff. All right, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to get the lift stuff right now just to have it. This one, I have unsettled funds. Thank you. Screw off. All right, I'm getting the lift strangle, and then I'm going to hunt for Corsair. I could be doing this completely wrong, but, sometimes you got to just run it and hope for the best, All right, lift, all good. Got the lift strangle. Let's see what happens on it. And then Corsair, let's take a look. Is Amy running? Oh, hold on. Amy just got a candle over here where I'm trying to get filled on these trades. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I love that Billy Joel song, Sweet Caroline. That is not a Billy Joel song. Watch out, AMC. Dude, it's popping here. What? SPY coming up here a little bit. Amy's getting a little bit of a pop. 1630. Oh, come on. Puts on lift. Trust me, bro. I mean, I got both, so we're good. You may be right. Is great. Okay. What are the lift strikes? I don't want to say it. I don't want people piling into it. They're cheap, though. They're very cheap. Just because I don't want people piling into it, but I did get it. Corsair, oh, man. I'll just get it now. For this, okay, I'll get this right here. I know I'm buying with unsettled funds, and I know it also doesn't take 2 business days. Leave me alone. And then I'll get this. Okay. I have everything all set up ready to go now for earnings. They're both next week. I'm not playing anything for this week, so it has a little bit of time on it. Amy's getting a couple of candles here. 1634, looking good. I don't know. I set myself up for the earnings place. If they hit, they hit. They don't, they don't. The premium on these is absolutely insane. So I'm going for the next weeks and deeper out of the money to try to make it work. So SPY going for a new day high. What is wrong with her today? Lift, boom, boom. Lift running into close. Yeah, lift getting a candle over here. See, I don't care. Like, I don't care where these contracts end up. I mean, the lifts, I'm flat on the lifts, basically flat on the Corsair. I had to go a little bit deeper out on the calls for Corsair. So I don't know. Hopefully these just don't go to freaking zero and I can get some money back. That's usually how the next week earnings work. Riot is still running. That hurts my soul. Here you go. Jesus, dude. 1632 on AMC right now. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Come on, people. We're getting a little bit of a pop. Pop, 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 pop. That's what I want to see. I want to just see the fireworks shoot off and just boom, right up on AMC into close. We got like 16 minutes left. Usually I don't get these earnings this early. I just like Corsair. Like if you look at this and you look at what they do, I don't really know a lot. I mean, I kind of have some familiarity with it, but like headsets, control, gaming keyboards, headsets, controllers, streaming gear, capture cards, stream decks, microphones, like gamer. Yeah, I kind of like this. So it's like gaming stuff. Not really metaversey like I thought it was, but I don't know. They could still move. Earnings is a coin flip. So as long as you play it like small, you're going to be fine. Up nicely on Prague today. There you go, Hugh. So again, these earnings plays, I'm fully expecting them to go absolutely to zero. That's just how it works. Let's see. They make PSUs and computer cases too. Interesting. Bro, you don't know. Dude, I don't know a lot of things. I know a lot about some things, but I know zero about a lot of things too. Let's see here. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream too. Oh, Amy, come on. Here we go. SPY coming down. Amy looks like she wants to go a little on a run. Come on. Let's get back to 1650 and see what happens. When we skis, can we all go to the Ferrari dealership and buy our car? Yeah. The new guy, thank you so much for the super. So SV, the closer to the money, the easier to hit the strangle play, or what's the math on it? Yeah, well, yeah, closer to the money, yes. But you also have to buy far enough out that if it hits, one of those sides needs to go up 100% to basically counteract your other side going to zero. So when's lift earnings is tonight. Check out AMC Security Lending Volume. Dude, AMC Securities Lending Volume, it's like 69 million. It's craziness over here. So let's see. Amy starting to get up a little bit here. 1637. SPY coming down to the 13, but Amy looks like she wants to just go bloop right up. So we got GME trying her. Let's see. Come on, people. Oh, here it goes. 1640, 41. Looks like she wants to get a little spicy into close, everybody. Come on. Come on. AMC to 1750 and after hours. That would be wild. That would be very, very, very wild. I like that. I like that, man. Elon tweeted about what? SPY bouncing off here. Come on, Amy, go. 1637. Floop. That's what I want. Meta crashed hard. Please don't call it Meta. It's Facebook. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Come on. Let's go. I want Amy to just go boom into close. 1638. Can we just get to Fetty Wap, please? 1738 for today. Lift just printing slowly. You call too many good calls. Hey, I try. I try, man. I mean, the lift this morning was dirty. The lift this morning was nasty. So if you guys hit that, good for you. I called that out right at open. So good for you on that one. We've hit a lot of Uber and Lyft. Watch your profanity? No, never. Amin, I'm happy you're making money with the things that I've called. Puts on Nikola. Nikola sucks. I hate them. Because here's the thing about Nikola. Everybody likes to be like, oh, Trevor's not there anymore. No. Trevor was not the only guy making these decisions. There are still people, most likely at Nikola, that were part of that fraud. Once a fraud, always a fraud. I won't say it. Okay, so SPY coming up here a little bit. Amy 1640. Increase your profanity. I could. I'm getting my own DD. There you go, buddy. Netflix could run it crossed up on the 200. Interesting. Come on, folks. Smash that like button. Says Sir Hodel Holdington. There you go. We're getting a strong close. One fast duster. I'm hoping, buddy. Yeah, SPY starting to come up here. Come on, Amy. 1639. Let's see. You made money twice on Nikola. There you go. You sold my Bank of America calls I held over the weekend for 380%. James, I love that, dude. Bank stocks are pretty good right now, especially with the expectation of rates going up. That's kind of what we're looking at across the board over here. So let's see. Rant about something. Give me something stupid. Somebody say something dumb. All right. Got in lift yesterday. Sold one. Now running the free one up 130% up. There we go. Yeah. See, I was thinking about that too. I just wanted to see the cross in the morning because you can always see a run down into earnings if people don't like it. But lift, run up, very, very strong. Ooh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that one. I need an Aston Martin. Come on, Amy. Astons are sweet. I hate banks. Right. But if you can make money trading their derivatives, go for it. Lift slowly priming up here. Something dumb. No, SoFi needs encouragement. It might. Here comes Lyft again. I mean, whoever got those Lyft contracts this morning we were looking at, I think Uber and Lyft. Hold on. Shopify point of sale. All right, it might be old. Hold on. Apple. Is Apple popping here? No, is Shop popping? This news that I just got might be old. Shopify's running up a little bit, but not enough to be like a news play. Let's see. Dude, it's Neil Young. See, that's not a rant. I don't know. Rant about negative Nancy's coming in the chat. Nah, at least nah. They already got enough of my. Today was the AMC squeeze. Now go. You're an idiot. The Nicola Badger would. I don't know. I think Nicola's not for me. Nicola, not for me, my man. Alrighty. Let's see. You lost money getting bank puts in November. Yeah. Expectation of rate hikes coming up. You don't want bank puts. Spy trying to move here. Amy 1629 looking all right. Let me get Lyft back up here and then Corsair. Lyft selling off a little bit to the 13 CRSR. That's a nice little pump. What did this do? My calls on Corsair of 8%. My puts are down 5. Print it. Just kidding. I'm up 50 cents. I'm up 50 cents on the Lyft strangle too. You're going to see the premium start to run up on these into close too. So it's entirely possible that my puts and calls might be in the green by close. It's very weird. What's up, Vix? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, here comes Corsair. Like it. All right. Spy bouncing up here a little bit. I once ate a stick of butter. That's disgusting. Can AMC give you a date with Britney Spears? I don't know. Can you handle that? Can you handle all that? Oh, look at this. Corsair's ripping into close. There you go. All right. So those calls are up like 10% over here. Amy 1630. Come on. We got 9 minutes left, everybody. Here's something stupid. I'm up 163% on Micron. No. Was that from the contracts today? Corsair's going parabolic right now. Was that from the contracts today? Oh, damn. Okay. I paper handed the Microns. I definitely did. Love the volatility pump. Yeah, I mean, Corsair's pumping into club. How are these contracts only? I mean, there's no bid ask coming on them probably. CRSR. I mean, this thing's going kind of nuclear into close. Let's see. You're up 75% on BITF. There you go. Amy 1632. We got about 8 minutes left until close. Let's see what happens. If we can get a nice little pump, that would be pretty sweet. I would love to see it. The imbalance are out. Yeah. It was onto the sell side. Do you think the Batman NFT will do anything for Amy? Yes, 100%. Because people are going to be more encouraged to buy movie theater tickets and run to the theaters. So AMC 1635. And no, that's that. I would say they're not covering here. I mean, even though there's a lot of shares returned, they are still a boat. Short interest is still high, and they still have 10 million shares to use against it. WTRH. I don't know, buddy. No volume, and it's like a penny stock. So this is what happens sometimes on penny stock. Corsair. What do we got? Dude, this thing is pumping into close ahead of earnings. Jeez, this could be a good one. 1348 works better for crypto. Interesting. Yeah, people have been crushing it with 1348 on crypto too. If you guys do want to learn more about it, the link to the free part of the Discord. Oops, I just turned my flashlight on. The link to the free part of the Discord is pinned to the top of the chat. Make sure you guys learn the strategy before you consider paying for premium. Premium is going to give you alerts on the crosses on 350 stocks in the market. So If you want to get a better view of the market, you can then grab premium if you want. But I mean, the strategy's out there for free. SPY closing over 451. What is that now? Yeah, that could be. Yeah, it's starting to come up. Amy's starting to get a little pop here. Holy Corsair Gaming. Somebody knows something. Somebody knows. I don't know. Amy, 1641. Let's see if we can break above 1650 going into close. We got 8 minutes left still. SPY, 451.02. You're up 40% on Corsair. How are mine not up? I'm up 17% on the call side of mine. My puts are only down 4%, though. That little IV spike. I love to see it. I love to see it. Ethereum is ripping. A lot of things are going here. SPY, 1640 on AMC, up 9.99% today. GME's getting to close up 12.5. Ooh, baby. Let's see. Future's going to close over 8-day SMA on the daily chart. Ooh, that would be good. Well, why is a $10 call on AMC for Friday 6:30, but the same call for next week, only $5 more? Probably a little bit due to the bid-ask spread. And then just what the market makers are willing to sell them at. Let's see. You've owned Corsair almost as long as AMC and taken a heavy hit. This was also on the FTD list back in the day. Ooh, interesting. CVS earnings, I probably won't. Playing any earnings today? Yeah, I'm playing Lyft and Corsair. I just want a little bit of exposure on it. We haven't seen any crazy earnings this week, so let's see what happens. Lyft could be a good one. I just don't know. Nobody knows. It's always a coin flip. Like you just never know. It could be an absolutely dirty earnings play, or it could be nothing. So we have Lyft. I'm playing Lyft and Corsair Gaming. Let's see what happens. I definitely want to play Disney tomorrow too, and maybe Uber, depending on how Lyft does. SPY is pumping right now, up 1%. It might close above 452. This thing is going nutty. Amy, come on. All right, GME's getting a little bit of a pop here too. Let's see. Corsair short interest. Yeah, we looked at it before. It's like 20-something%. Up 96% on SPY calls. There you go. You could have done it a little bit back here. Let's see. Just bought my 40 dozen Pro V1X with my profits from Golf 1348 cross. Hold that. That's pretty sweet. Isn't Golf Callaway? Corsair drops after earnings, I think. Fine. I mean, I just want it to move. I love what CNBC is saying about GME and AMC right now. What are they saying? What a day, though. XYZ, it is a pretty crazy day. So we are coming into close here, people. We got about 4 minutes left. Amy's at 1637. Corsair's just pumping into close. I think somebody knows something about this one. Turns out I should have held my SPY calls. Paper hand. You paper hand, Big Dave. You paper hand. Don't you come at me all the time. Call me a paper hand when you're over here paper handing your SPY calls. I don't want to hear it. All right, I'm just kidding. Don't YOLO stuff. Let's see. It's a parent company of 3 ball manufacturers. Oh, interesting. Holy crap. SPY, the meme stock, dude, is definitely the new meme stock. Amy, 1638 right here. Come on. We need another dollar for the Fetty Wap numbers. Made $1. My Lucid calls better than being red. Yeah. What did Lucid end up? LCID. Yeah, Lucid. All right, over here. Welcome to Paper Hand the VIX, exactly. Every single time. Every single time. All righty, everybody. Come on, Amy. Get a little pop in. Got 3 minutes left. SPY. Let's see what you got in store for us. Fun is exploding. Okay, is it? Oh, yeah. Fun is ripping. Where's DWAC? Matt stuck suspenders. DWAC not doing all that much right now. Killed it with SPY today. There you go. It's all good. SV. I paper handed my SPY call too. I heard TMI in my head. Oh, he's just like, just sell it. Just take your profit. It's there. Just take it. Corsair, let's go. Is he going? Selling off here. I don't know. Let's see what happens on earnings. Top tick the SPY for 80% gain. There you go, bud. All right, Amy, 1640. We got the SPY. Trying to make a little move here. Can you close your calls after the bell? On SPY, you can. On anything else, no. Will you stream Corsair earnings? Depends on what time it is. Probably not, though. Good day. Let's do it again tomorrow. 100%. We got 3 minutes left. You can close those SPY calls until 4:15. Yep. They don't expire today either. So you got time on them. Lift beat? I don't know. Who knows? I'm playing both sides. Peloton killed this today. I was up 700% at one point. Damn. Holding through earnings? No. They already reported earnings this morning. Peloton did some weird stuff. Watch out. Facebook pumping? Is it now? Liar. Well, sort of. It's coming down though. Kind of with the SPY. Amy 1639. Lyft. What are we looking at over here? LFIT. Lyft doing all right still. Apes R Us says buy AMC now before it rockets in the after hours. That'd be pretty sweet. Gonna run to 1837 in the after hours. Don't trust me, bro. Not a hedge fund. That's funny. Yeah, call at 5 p.m. Okay, so maybe you'll get the numbers quick. I don't know. We'll probably be out of here. Algo does not compute. Now, AMC is top left. Lyft is top right. SPY's bottom left. GME's bottom right. Who's streaming until 6? I'm not streaming until 6. That's crazy behavior. SPY to 445 tomorrow. Hey, man, if you're right, you'll make a bunch of money. Yeah, I do want Amy to close up 10%. We got less than a minute to go, people. 1642, 1642, up 10%. Come on. Here we go. Klein dropper. Please, nobody. Stop it, please. All right. Here we go. Come on. A close above 10%. That would be sweet. Come on. Come on. Come on. 10.23. Less than a minute to go. 10.06. Come on. SPY tanking. Last chance for any earnings plays too. Here we go. All right. It looks like it might do it. Unless they just do some nonsense candles at the last second. Less than a minute to go. Ding, ding, ding. What did we get? What did we get? All right. AMC closed the day up 10.62 mother effing percent. Boom. Great day, people. So AMC, why isn't it? Let me refresh the data on this thing. So yeah, 10.26% up. We got SPY up about 0.8. Lyft. Let's see what happens with this thing. Lyft and Corsair. I mean, I am playing them for earnings. Corsair Gaming. See, we got both flat in the after hours today. That was a solid day, people. Whew. Yeah, if you guys are going to filter out, make sure you guys leave a like on the stream as you're leaving. That is probably going to wrap up the stream for today as well. Hold on. Corsair getting a little action here. Any news yet? Peloton announcing what? I don't think it is anything. Corsair, a little jumpy over here. Where's Lyft really quick? Where is Lyft? What do we got over here? Lyft just kind of flickering. No, nothing too nothing too crazy going on with the earnings yet. I mean, if they're duds, they're duds. We'll see what happens. Lyft is flickering around over here. So let's see. Corsair. Nothing. Not doing anything yet. All right, guys. That's going to wrap up the stream for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. If you do want to learn a little bit more about 1348 and the trading strategy that a lot of us are using to make, I mean, much better trades than we were previously. Make sure you check out that free Discord, the link to the free part of the Discord up in the top. Make sure you learn the strategy first. And then once you're ready, you can then sign up for the premium if you want to get the alerts on the 300, 350 stocks. We're always adding more to them. So yeah, if you guys do want, Corsair coming up, whatever. No numbers yet, I don't think. Okay, the other thing, Sundial was granted a 180-day extension to regain NASDAQ compliance with the minimum bid rule, basically $1. So no craziness on Sundial. But again, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And if you do want to check out the Discord, make sure you check that out as well. And again, thank you to all the new members, the mods, everybody that's just in here being positive, helping to support the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. Other than that, guys, I will have a video out for you guys at around 7:15 Eastern tonight. So make sure you stay on the lookout for that. And make sure you have notifications turned on for my channel. YouTube's been playing around. So make sure you have those turned on. Just make sure you get the notifications anytime I go live or a video. Other than that, guys, peace.